Welcome, Jeetu. Or should I say Jitendra Chaudhary?
Jeetu.
What is your age?
I'm 20 right now.
You're 20, right? And
Yeah.
you're making lakhs of rupees a month. Isn't ये market already बहुत niched out हो गया?
The more niche the market, the more money you will make.
एक इंसान जो ऑर्डिनरी है वो एक सोशल मीडिया पे आके कोच बन सकता है और क्या वो लाखों में कमा सकता है? फ्रेंड सर्कल जो है आप जो चूज करते हो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है.
I love people who are above 30. When I sit with a 35-year, 30-year person, then they never talk about this breakup हो गया, यार ये बात नहीं कर रही, यार वो बात नहीं कर रही. तेरा पर्पस क्या है लाइफ भाई का? All the 20-year boys right now, you are thinking about your ex maybe, your girlfriend maybe, and you want it badly, right? So you're desperate for that. You keep that on pedestal. You are not going to have it.
Okay, you're the power.
Yeah, I am the power. When people are like, ये तो egoistic बात हो गई. I'm like, yeah, only winners have arrogance. If you want to go viral on Instagram, information doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is flavor.
लोगों को जीतू का फ्लेवर पसंद है.
हाँ.
I don't want to call it छपरी reels. Dolly चाय वाला. We'll talk about the vada pav girl.
If I say chai wala, but how he is giving his chai, वो correct.
आज की तारीख में 2024 में अगर कोई कोचिंग स्टार्ट करना चाहे, is that still scope?
You can never help someone.
So when we are running ads या boost करते हैं post, so does that fuck up your account completely?
Yeah.
That ruins it for you.
There is a reason it's not growing.
So then, as a coach, starting of Instagram, how much money can one make?
So.
आज के जो हमारे गेस्ट है, he is a very famous and very known Instagram coach. आपने 100% इनके रील्स देखे होंगे Instagram के ऊपर और शायद आप इन्हें फॉलो भी करते होंगे. इनका नाम है जीतू IG कोच. He is actually one of the Gen Zs with an old soul. You'll know why that I'm saying this, क्योंकि आपको पता चलेगा जब वो आप ये पॉडकास्ट पूरा देखोगे या सुनोगे. He comes from so much of knowledge, he shares so much knowledge, उनका thought process बहुत अलग है और आज स्पेशली उन्होंने बहुत सारी टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स भी शेयर किए, उनकी लाइफस्टाइल भी शेयर किए एंड he has shown that how a person can change with themselves. It's always you against you and you'll know why when you watch this full podcast. Welcome, Jeetu. Or should I say Jitendra Chaudhary?
Jeetu.
Alright, Jeetu IG coach. Welcome to Kabir Wani.
Thank you so much.
सबसे पहला तो I would like to say thanks कि you took out this time और आप हमारे podcast पे आए. I think मेरे से ज़्यादा मेरे employees ज़्यादा खुश है कि आज हम जीतू को पकड़ लेने वाले, सारा उसे से निचोड़ के जितना भी डिटेल मिलता है हम निकाल लेने वाले. So you ready for that?
100%.
Alright, cool bro. So सबसे पहला start करने के लिए I need to ask you, भाई, what is your age?
I'm 20 right now.
You're 20 right now. And
Yeah.
you're making lakhs of rupees a month.
Yeah.
So आज सब secret बाहर आने वाला है हमारे पास.
बिल्कुल.
And you're not gonna hold back.
Yeah, of course.
सारा details बाहर.
100%.
Cool, yeah. So what do you do, my friend?
So, I'm an Instagram coach. I help personal brands. I help people to build their personal brands.
Okay.
If I talk about specifically, I help coaches to build their personal brands on Instagram.
Okay.
Right. And thereby get traffic for their funnels, get traffic for their business and everything.
Okay, great. तो इसके अंदर अगर हम पूछे जैसे आप कोचेस को पर्सनल ब्रांड बिल्ड करने के लिए हेल्प करते हो, बट isn't ये मार्केट ऑलरेडी बहुत niched out हो गया? So is it still chances to grow?
Yeah, 100%. The more niche the market, the more money you will make.
Is that so?
Yeah.
But how is that possible? जितना ज़्यादा competition उतना कम business, right?
जितना specific market उतना ज़्यादा पैसा. The reason for that is you can give specific product to a specific audience with a specific message with a specific price.
Okay.
Right. And when you establish your identity in a particular niche, people consider you कि इसने जो बोला है वो पूरा follow हो रहा है. Is because you are so specific, वो follow होगा ही होगा. Right. But what happens is when you have multiple target markets, what you say will be generic.
Okay.
Let's say I'm an Instagram coach for people who want to grow on Instagram. There are few things that will not work for coaches but will work for lifestyle influencers.
Right.
There are few things that will work for coaches but not for lifestyle influencers. So technically what I'm saying is it's not going to work for everyone. But again, मैं तो generic creator हो जाऊँगा फिर. Right. So I want to be having good results.
Okay.
When you can't have good results, when you can't get good results, you can't charge good money.
Okay. So you have to first create results and then charge the money. So पहले दो फिर charge करो. This is how you're going to teach people?
Yep. So that's why I always say when people say that I don't have my first client, I always say that एक काम करो, first 5 clients free में ले लो.
First 5 clients free में ले लो. सीधा.
फ्री में
Results
ले लो
दिखा
and
दो।
just give them results. Testimonials, charge more to 50 clients.
Okay, fair enough. So what's the first step when you become when you start your Instagram journey? What would be the first step for a person? Let's say आज मैंने सोचा है मैं जॉब कर रहा हूँ और मैं खुश हूँ मेरे जॉब के साथ, बट वो बोलते हैं ना बॉस के अंदर काम नहीं करना, मुझे एक ऐसा है कि आई वांट टू बिकम एन इन्फ्लुएंसर या आई वांट टू बिकम अ कोच, आई एम गुड एट समथिंग, लेट्स टेक मैनिफेस्टेशन कोच, राइट? लेट्स somebody wants to start at zero. What is the one or the first thing that person should do?
The very first thing that a person should do is research.
Okay. And
Right.
what terms?
When I say research, what do I mean with that is कि you need to understand कि तुम्हारे मार्केट में कितने लोग हैं, राइट? कितने कॉम्पिटिटर्स हैं, तुम्हारे मार्केट में कितना पेन और प्रॉब्लम है. So understand this thing. The very first thing, that the reason I say that you need to understand your market is because a starving crowd will always pay you more than a non-starving crowd. Example, let's say if I start my business or content of newspaper.
Okay.
Let's say if I'm selling physical newspaper.
Okay.
The market is declining every day.
Absolutely.
मैं कितना ही सेलिंग कर लूँ, परसुएशन कर लूँ, कम्युनिटी बिल्डिंग कर लूँ, टीम बढ़ा लूँ, सब कुछ कर लूँ, कितनी एडवर्टाइजिंग कर लूँ, ब्रांडिंग कर लूँ, बट स्टिल फिजिकल न्यूज़पेपर बिकने नहीं वाले because 25% is decline every year. Right. And if let's say COVID में if I start selling mask or I'm into medical store, even if I don't do anything, there are people who will buy. Right. So the very first thing that I do is research market. उसमें अभी मार्केट के अंदर you need to understand कि the very first question you ask is क्या पेन और प्रॉब्लम उतनी है जितना मैं चार्ज करूंगा? Because the amount of pain is directly proportional to the speed of scaling.
Okay.
Right. If you want to scale very fast, the amount of pain should be high.
Understood. Okay. So
Now-
then that is the research that you're talking.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's say you are a person who don't know any of this stuff and you are not that smart enough to know ये research कहाँ करूँ, ये research कैसे करूँ, किससे पूछूँ, क्या बात करूँ. Just start.
Okay.
Don't do anything.
But then again ये हो जाता है ना कि फिर अगर मैं without any direction start कर दूंगा कि मुझे रिसर्च करना है, तो रिसर्च करने के लिए मेरा फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या होना चाहिए फिर?
If I talk about research करने के लिए first step क्या होना चाहिए? You simply go to, what I used to do is I simply used to message Instagram coaches and I used to be like, what is your income?
No way. लोग जवाब देते थे?
Yeah.
Okay.
I used to talk to people, get one-to-one calls, book one-to-one calls, go into their courses, talk to people, कितना पैसा कमा रहे हो, क्या कर रहे हो. मेरे को कहीं से भी बस इतना जानना था कि what they are doing.
Okay. तो लोगों के कोर्सेज आप ले रहे थे फिर उस हिसाब से. Okay.
Yep. And उसके अंदर वो लोग बोलते थे कि हमने इतने कोर्सेज निकाले, मेरे इतने स्टूडेंट्स हैं, मैं ये कर रहा हूँ, वो कर रहा हूँ. वहाँ से आइडिया आता था. I used to talk to people who are coaches. कितना पैसा कमा रहे हो? Then the very first time I met a coach, I was making 1 lakh a month. He was making 3 CR a month.
Nice. Okay.
Like it's 300 times
Of course. Absolutely.
every month.
Every month, हाँ, तो आवाज होता है. That is, I think 300 times or 3,000 times. almost.
300 times or 300 times. I'm like,
Cool.
it's a huge market.
Absolutely.
It's a huge market. And he was a coach for coaches.
Okay. हाँ, तो coaches को coach कर रहा है. Okay.
I'm like, oh, it's a huge market.
Absolutely.
So what did I do? Research. I asked a coach who is a coach for coaches. I'm like, how much you are making? He's like, I'm making 3 CR a month. I'm like, okay. So basically there are people and they have pain and problem. अब वो पेन एंड प्रॉब्लम मेरी मार्केट में है नहीं, मुझे डिसाइड करना है.
Okay.
ठीक है, बट लोग हैं जो पैसा दे देंगे.
पर क्या आप अगर नहीं है और क्या आप वो क्रिएट कर सकते हो पेन एंड प्रॉब्लम?
से बेचने को तो लोग हवा भी बेच लेते हैं. Right.
Yeah,
But
absolutely.
99% of the people don't have that skill.
हाँ,
Not 99% of the people are ordinary.
right, absolutely.
There are 1% people who are extraordinary.
But then can the ordinary, so अगर अपन extraordinary को बाहर रखें, I don't think क्योंकि extraordinaries को the way they think, उनका thought process हम वैसे ही beat नहीं कर पाते. तो अगर हम बात करें जो 80% of the people, let's not call it 90, let's call it 80% of the people जो ordinary है, अगर उनको हमें help करना है कि आप चालू कर सकते हो. लेट्स से अगर करोड़ों की बात भी नहीं करें, कभी कभी लोग करोड़ों नहीं सोच सकते, कभी कभी बोले अरे लाख भी बन जाए तो मेरे नसीब अच्छे हैं, ऐसा
Yeah.
वो थॉट प्रोसेस के साथ है. तो क्या एक इंसान जो ऑर्डिनरी है वो एक सोशल मीडिया पे आके कोच बन सकता है और क्या वो लाखों में कमा सकता है?
Yeah.
एंड व्हाट वुड बी देयर स्टेप्स फॉर दैट?
See, if I talk about my journey, I was an ordinary kid.
Dude, you're not ordinary.
I
I mean, we just had a conversation for last 1 hour. You're not ordinary anyway. ये तुम्हारा भ्रम है.
I will tell you my story so we'll get an idea how I was ordinary.
Okay.
I'm a single parent child.
Okay.
ठीक है. We used to stay. अभी आपका जो स्टूडियो है, इससे छोटा हमारा घर हुआ करता था.
No. really?
राइट. या मेरा जो फर्स्ट टेबल था वो मेरी बाथरूम के वॉल पे था. बिकॉज मेरे पूरे घर में हर जगह कुछ ना कुछ रखा हुआ था, फर्नीचर नहीं था, तो वी यूज्ड टू कीप थिंग्स नीचे ही,
हाँ
राइट। सो अभी हर जगह कुछ ना कुछ रखा हुआ है, मतलब क्या करूँ, अब हर जगह कुछ ना कुछ रखा हुआ है। मम्मी बोली कि हर जगह कुछ ना कुछ रखा हुआ है, बट यू कैन गो टू किचन, यू कैन सिट इन किचन, किचन में बैठ के काम नहीं होगा। मैंने देखा बाथरूम की वॉल खाली पड़ी हुई है। आई सेड मामा मैंने बाथरूम की वॉल खाली है। शी इज लाइक यस, बिकॉज़ यहाँ पे कुछ रख नहीं सकते। आई एम लाइक यहाँ पे मैं काम करूंगा।
एक्चुअली बाथरूम की वॉल में तुम्हें
या सो दिस इज लाइक, ये बाथरूम अंदर है और ये बाथरूम की वॉल है, मैं उधर टेबल लगा दिया, मैं यहीं से काम करूंगा क्योंकि यहाँ पे कुछ रख नहीं सकते,
हाँ
यहाँ पे काम कर सकते हैं।
absolute.
शी इज लाइक नहीं, यहाँ पे काम भी नहीं कर सकते। आई एम लाइक फिर तो काम होगा ही नहीं,
हाँ फिर क्या करोगे,
है ना।
वाओ,
सो द एसएसजी रूल केम फ्रॉम देयर ओनली।
अच्छा ओके,
क्योंकि वो डायरेक्शन भी सही नहीं थी, मम्मी ने कहा था।
अच्छा ओके, एज पर वास्तु योर डॉग,
या मम्मी ने कहा डायरेक्शन सही नहीं है। आई एम लाइक मम्मी डायरेक्शन छोड़ो, कुछ भी छोड़ो, मैं घर पे बैठ के काम नहीं कर सकता, कुछ ना कुछ तो कर ही लूंगा यहाँ पे, छोड़ दो मेरे को।
एंड व्हेन वाज दिस? अभी आप 20 साल को, तो ये कब की बात कर रहे हो? 16 साल में आप इतना सारा वो लेवल पे सोच रहे थे?
16-17 साल की उम्र में सोचा था।
सो हाउ अबाउट योर स्कूलिंग एंड ऑल?
आई एम अ 12th पास।
12th पास, योर कॉलेज, एंड यू डिडंट थिंक अबाउट दैट?
नो
नो जॉब?
नहीं,
नो कॉलेज?
कॉलेज से पहले मतलब कॉलेज से पहले मैंने कम से कम 20 करियर ट्राई कर लिए थे। मैं स्टेशनरी शॉप में काम कर चुका हूँ, मैं एज अ ट्रेनर भी काम कर चुका हूँ, राइट। आई यूज्ड टू ओपन आवर जिम एट 5 AM इन द मॉर्निंग, ओके, है ना। आई हैड पीटी क्लाइंट एट 6 AM इन द मॉर्निंग, देन उनको मैं ट्रेन करता था दोपहर के 2 बजे तक, फिर वहां से भाग के कॉलेज जाता था, ओके, राइट। फिर आके शूट करता था। सो आई स्टिल रिमेंबर दोस डेज। आई वाज ऑर्डिनरी पर्सन। मैं बोलूं ना, मैं सुबह 5 बजे उठता था, मैं जिम जाता था, लोगों को ट्रेन करता था, वहां से भाग के कॉलेज जाता था, कॉलेज से आके शूट करता था, उसके बाद रात को स्क्रिप्टिंग करता था। इट इज अ वेरी ऑर्डिनरी लाइफ, आई वुड से।
I still feel that's extraordinary. The reason is that कि आपने जो लिस्ट बताई, वो फॉलो करने के लिए भी you need to have that thought process of कि मैं कर सकता हूँ या नहीं, मुझे करना है. That is, I feel that you had at that point of time. But then, because आज की तारीख में क्या हो गया, especially because we are Indians, right? हमारे लिए पढ़ाई सबसे ज्यादा महत्व रखता है. You know, तुम खाना नहीं खाओ चलेगा, कॉलेज जाके पढ़ाई करना जरूरी. So, वो चीज तुमने कैसे टैकल किया कि मैं कॉलेज नहीं जाके मैं एक इंस्टाग्राम क्रिएटर या मैं कंटेंट क्रिएटर बनूं?
आई वेंट टू द कॉलेज एंड मेरे को ये समझ में आने लग गया कि जो प्रोफेसर है उसको कम आता है, मुझे ज्यादा आता है।
ओके, एंड बट देन वाज़न्ट दैट योर फैमिली ना खुश नहीं थी?
हाँ तो रहो ना खुश, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
बट फाइट एंड ऑल
सी चलेगा। माय मम्मा यूज्ड टू फाइट विद मी, मम्मा यूज्ड टू क्राई, मम्मी चिढ़ा मतलब बोलती थी, रिलेटिव्स टॉन्ट मार देते, तुम्हारा बेटा जो है वो नखरे वाला बन चुका है, इसको आईफोन चाहिए और कॉलेज नहीं जाना है। कॉलेज ड्रॉप करते मैंने आईफोन ले लिया क्योंकि मुझे कंटेंट क्रिएट करना है। मेरे 11 महीने की सेविंग्स मैंने एक साथ उड़ाई पूरी। 11 महीने से सेव कर रहा था मैं, मम्मी से 10,000 रुपए और उधार लिए मैंने, और वो लेके मैंने आईफोन लिया बिकॉज आई वांटेड टू स्टार्ट माय कंटेंट, राइट। रिलेटिव्स आर लाइक ये तो अभी वो बन चुका है, सेलिब्रिटी बन चुका है, कॉलेज वॉलेज नहीं जाएंगे, घर पे बैठ के खाएंगे और आईफोन लेंगे, तो ये तो तुम्हारा बेटा बिगड़ चुका है। सुन रहा हूँ मैं, हाँ पता है मेरे को। मम्मी इज लाइक, माय मम्मा लिटरली सेड दिस टू मी, तू सबसे नालायक औलाद है मेरी, राइट। यू डोंट हैव अ फादर बट यू डोंट हैव रिस्पांसिबिलिटी ऑन योर हेड, राइट। आई हर्ड दिस स्टेटमेंट्स।
सो ये सारी चीजों को तुमने तुम्हारे दिमाग तक कैसे नहीं पहुंचने दिया?
नहीं पहुंची दिमाग में, किसने कहा नहीं पहुंचेगी?
तो how did you tackle it?
You don't tackle it. The problem with people is they get stressed, they get emotions, they get anxiety, they get situations, and they think they need to tackle it. This is how human brain works, is because, so understand this thing. Let's understand कि how does addiction works. Okay. और वहां से हम समझते हैं लोग rat race में फंसे हुए हैं. Okay. ठीक है. अब for example, let's say a smoker. अब एक smoker smoke करता है because according to him, he wants to release stress. Exactly. Which is not the true case. Because he wants smoke, he creates stress, and his brain creates stress, and then his brain uses nicotine to remove that stress. But अगर निकोटिन की आदत नहीं होती, वो स्ट्रेस आता ही नहीं, राइट। सो टेक्निकली आपकी लाइफ में जो भी आ रहा है, आपके ब्रेन को वो चाहिए, ठीक है। सो इफ आई टॉक अबाउट लेट्स से जॉब, पीपल वांट सिक्योरिटी एंड सर्टेनिटी, which is humans first need. Absolutely. There are 6 human needs. The first is certainty, second is uncertainty, so third is significance, fourth is love and connection, fifth is growth, and last one is contribution. Okay, right. First one is certainty, which means मैं ये करूंगा, मुझे इतना मिलना चाहिए, ये हो जाना चाहिए. हाँ. You want a controlled life. हाँ. Right. अब होता क्या है, when you want a controlled life, things will go according to you, not according to him, right? Right. Fair enough. Yeah. And what we think is कि हमें डिप्रेशन नहीं चाहिए बट डिप्रेशन आ रहा है, हमें एडिक्शन नहीं चाहिए बट एडिक्शन आ रहा है, हमें पैसा चाहिए बट पैसा नहीं आ रहा है, ऐसा नहीं है। आपको सिक्योरिटी चाहिए इसलिए फ्रीडम नहीं मिल रहा है, ठीक है। आपको एडिक्शन चाहिए इसलिए आपका ब्रेन स्ट्रेस क्रिएट कर रहा है। मैं एक और एग्जांपल देता हूँ, दिस बुक द करेज टू बी डिसलाइक्ड, ओके, ठीक है। इसमें एक यंग बच्चा आता है, ही सिंपली नेगोशिएट्स, और आई वुड से वो बंदा ना बहुत ही ज्यादा रूडली डिबेट करता है विद द फिलोसोफर। तो डिबेट करता है एंड ही इज लाइक कि माय फ्रेंड हैज डिप्रेशन एंड ही वांट्स टू गो आउट, he wants to talk to people, but he stays at home, gets an anxiety attack, and वो घर से बाहर निकल नहीं पाता, but he wants to go out. He is like, no, your friend don't want to go out, and that why he's creating depression so that he doesn't need to go out. He's like, नहीं, वो ऐसा नहीं कर रहा. I know him since like 15 years. He has problem. Chemical लोचा है, right? तो वो बोल रहा है कि chemical लोचा is a different thing, ठीक है. But ये कहाँ से आया? हो सकता है उसका childhood जो ट्रॉमेटिक होगा. And उसको attention नहीं मिला. Now his brains want significance, which is humans fourth and third or fourth need. So significance is what? Importance में आपको attention चाहिए होता है. So his brain trying to get that significance from his parents. Oh मेरा बच्चा.
Sympathy.
You can say sympathy, but ultimately it comes down to significance. Human अगर 60 minutes पढ़ोगे तो. And उसके ब्रेन को उसका ब्रेन उसी से खुश है, सबकॉन्शियसली, आई एम सेइंग, नॉट कॉन्शियसली, सबकॉन्शियसली उसका ब्रेन से खुश है. पीपल आर कमिंग टू हिज हाउस, डोंट वरी ब्रो, डोंट टेक मच स्ट्रेस, यू हैव अ गुड लाइफ. उसको अटेंशन मिल रहा है जिंदगी में पहली बार, राइट. सो यू वांट दैट एंड पीपल आर स्टक इनटू दैट, एंड बिकॉज यू वांट दैट यू आर नॉट वर्किंग फॉर योर ट्रू गोल्स. एंड बिकॉज तुम्हें लगता है डिप्रेशन है, या तुम्हें लगता है या वो चीज है, वो थॉट्स है, वो इमोशंस है, तुम्हें उनको टैकल करना है, इसलिए तुम काम नहीं करोगे, इसलिए तुम कुछ और करोगे. अब एक बहुत अच्छा एग्जांपल देता हूँ. yesterday I was calling a girl from Gujarat and she is like, मेरी फैमिली जो है वो बहुत टॉक्सिक है. So I go to gym, I do meditation, ये वो, but I am still stressed. I'm like, the reason, these are good habits. अभी भी स्ट्रेस में,
Absolutely.
because वो हैबिट्स करने के लिए नहीं कर रही है, वो सिचुएशन एस्केप करने के लिए कर रही है,
भागने के लिए कर रही है,
राइट. अब what happen is ultimately what she is doing, ब्रेन में कोई नेगेटिव इमोशन आया, कोई नेगेटिव चीज आई, शी गोज टू हर जिम. उसके ब्रेन को पता चल गया, चलो अब काम नहीं करना है, इसको नेगेटिव एंजाइटी दे दो, इसको सिचुएशन ऐसे क्रिएट करो कि इसके फैमिली वाले इसके साथ थोड़ा झगड़ा कर ले, या इसका गुस्सा बहुत हाई कर दो तो ये झगड़ा करेगी एंड देन ये जिम चली जाएगी. सो मुझे पता था ये कि ये कुछ भी हो रहा है ये मेरे कंट्रोल में है नहीं, ये लोग जो बोल रहे हैं वो मेरे कंट्रोल में है नहीं. अल्टीमेटली व्हाट आई कैन कंट्रोल माई सेल्फ,
योर थॉट्स.
या अभी वो बोल रहे हैं, मैं रोऊंगा, मैं रो के सोचूंगा यार मेरी फैमिली ऐसी है वैसी है, ऐसी, मेरे को ट्रॉमा हो गया, मेरे को ये हो गया, शिट.
काश मेरी फैमिली कोई और होती,
काश मेरी ये होती, है ना,
उसकी फैमिली देखो.
तो उससे अच्छा मेरी फैमिली ये कर रही है, मुझे रोना आ रहा है, मैं रो रहा हूँ, ठीक है, रोया, सुबह उठो और काम पे बढ़ गया.
Okay, so
I don't give your thoughts so much of importance that they go heavy on you. Yeah, I realize this now also. And there are periods where I give my brain some importance, and it happens with me also. It's not like I'm a sadhu sant monk guy.
You've been through it,
right? I've been through it. I still go through it right now also. But the intensity of me knowing this thing that I need to work more because these are the things that are not in my control. That's not very high right now.
Absolutely.
And it's my age.
But you still at a very young age where you're still about to grow up.
Yeah.
And face a different situations of life. But you know what, Jeetu, I'll ask you this one thing, कि आपने already जो ये मेरे को explanation दिया है, I feel that कि you must be an old soul. The reason is because आपने जो ये understand किया है, ये जो go through किया है, the experiences that you had, it's something that comes a lot with age, experience, situations, but you have already gone through that particular phase for it. What holds your future now?
I have no idea about my future.
Do you think about your future? Because
No.
you're a person के आज जियो, कल का कल देखेंगे.
Same. Yep. 200 meter rule.
200 meter rule. That's what it is. तो जितना दिख रहा है उतना करो, आगे फिर नहीं बढ़ना.
Yep.
Cool, yeah, bro. So you know how a person, like you said, you gave a lot of good examples that के लोग हम अपने आप से वो stress create कर रहे हैं, addictions create कर रहे हैं. So what are the escapes of this addictions? Yeah, the thought process of getting stuck into the mindset of depression and anxiety.
So the first is you become aware. I'm not a professional life coach, but because I have a life coach too. I know these things, right? I have paid like lakhs and lakhs, and I have invested lakhs and lakhs into life coaching and understanding my own self reflection, knowing my purpose, knowing my company's purpose, and everything. My step, I would give you my step. How do I tackle these things? Right. The first thing is I become aware of these thoughts. Right. I consciously go through these processes. And I consciously notice my anger, my emotions, and I decide how I want to feel.
Okay.
Yesterday I had a fight, right, with within my family only.
It's okay, you can be honest.
Yeah. Yeah. So I had a fight, and I'm like, how do I want to feel? Do I want to feel desperate right now? Oh, what's gonna happen? Or do I want to feel ये तो हो गया, अब क्या
कर सकते हैं?
अब क्या करना है? How do I want to feel? I choose that. There will be times where I won't be able to choose it.
Of course.
So let the emotions flow.
Okay. So let the emotions flow. That's a hold करके नहीं रखो. और awareness is something that you focus on a lot. Now awareness के अंदर आप कुछ लिखते हो या कुछ particular meditation करते हो?
So for example, अभी मैं आपको बताता हूँ 2 दिन पहले. I was in Chennai. सुबह 11 मैं उठा. My heart was very heavy for no reason. Right? मैं सुबह उठा. I'm like, ये क्या हो गया? ये इतना भारी क्यों है भाई साहब? कोई बात नहीं. अपना तो रूल है, काम करो. उठा, मस्त गाना लगा के मैं मस्त नाश्ते अपना बात ले रहा हूँ. मतलब आज तो इवेंट है, FBR होगा, लोग मिलेंगे, मजा आएगा. निकल गया. And I'm having a very huge heavy flow of emotions within me right now. Right? अब एक तो हो सकता है कि मेरी एज हो तो हार्मोनल बैलेंस हो रहा होगा, चीजें थोड़ी यहाँ उलट फुलट हो रही होगी. I don't know what's going on inside my body, right?
Yeah.
But ultimately it's not in my control. So I was like, what are these emotions? Let me just go through it. Let me feel it. Let me see the thoughts, what they are coming in my mind. And I saw thoughts of being insecure. I saw thoughts of being vulnerable. I saw thoughts of I don't have importance in everything. And I was like, ये सारी situations तो अभी की है ही नहीं. ये thoughts अभी नहीं.
फिर भी आ कहाँ से?
I was consciously going through it. And I saw that the importance came from my childhood. Okay, in my childhood, I never had importance. In my childhood, I had insecurity that मेरे पापा चले गए. मम्मी तो है ना. So I was insecure about it.
Of course.
Right. I'm like, अच्छा ये बचपन से आया हुआ है. Oh, कोई बात नहीं. फिर तो चलो flow होने देता हूँ. I cried for 2 hours. Event चल रहा है. मैं side में गया. मेरा emotions flow हो रहा है. वो flow होने दे रहा हूँ. Thoughts आने दे रहा हूँ. 2 घंटे हो गए. मेरा emotions चले गए. एक पानी मुंह पे मारा. अब मजा आएगा.
You're one of those people who are allowing your emotions to flow naturally.
Yeah.
क्योंकि बहुत सारी बार ऐसा हो जाता है कि being a male, हम बोलते ना कि मर्द को रोना नहीं आता. So I'm glad that you feel that way. But as of right now, you being a Gen Z nature and Gen Z era, right? And you're making so much money as of right now. How would you tell the current Gen Zs to tackle this situation, especially of addiction?
तुम्हारे आजू बाजू जो लोग हैं, जिनके सामने तुम कूल बन रहे हो,
जिनके लिए कूल बन रहे हो,
yeah. See, the ultimately problem comes from this one thing only, where you think that people are thinking about you. They are not.
कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, is that what you're talking about?
कुछ तो नहीं, लोग तो कहेंगे. कुछ नहीं, वो तो बहुत कुछ कहेंगे. Right. Even when I talk about positivity, people are going to say something. Even if I talk about negativity, people are going to say something. Even if I talk good or bad, people are going to say something. ठीक है, लोग तो बोलते रहेंगे यार. But what I've seen in this, the reason I don't meet with 20s people, the reason I don't go to college, the reason I hate people at my age, and I use the strong word hate is because I actually hate these people.
Okay.
Right? I think this would turn out धीरे धीरे करके जो हेट वाला इमोशन है ये चेंज हो रहा है इनटू दया आने पर कि मुझे लिटिल दया आती है इन पे. द मोमेंट आई एम ग्रोइंग एंड इवॉल्विंग एज अ पर्सन, आई एम फीलिंग कि यार आई फील कि यार ये बेचारे ये लोग. राइट. सो नाउ इट्स कमिंग, बट अल्टीमेटली व्हाट व्हेन आई सी देम, most of them are trying to look cool in front of their friends.
Okay.
That's what the current generation is doing right now. For me, I don't want to look cool in front of my friends, but if my mom needs me, I want to be present.
Present, absolutely.
Right? Because let's say अगर मैं एक पार्टी अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकता चलेगा, but if मेरी mom बीमार है and if I can pay for her, okay.
Nothing like it.
That's good for me.
Absolutely.
I'm happy.
So you're saying that कि friend circle जो है आप जो choose करते हो बहुत important है.
Doesn't matter who you are, matters a lot. मेरे फ्रेंड सर्कल में कितने सारे लोग थे, मैं सब कुछ छोड़
दिया. But then you do have friends around you, boss.
मेरे को नहीं चाहिए ना वो लोग. Your thought process decides who are the friends that you will be, who you will be with. I love people who are above 30. I love people who are above 30, 35. शादी करके एकदम सेटल्ड है, दिमाग चिल है उनका. They never go. When I sit with a 35-year, 30-year person, then they never talk about this breakup हो गया, यार ये बात नहीं कर रही, यार वो बात नहीं कर रही. तेरा पर्पस कहाँ है लाइफ भाई का? कहाँ है वो उस बारे में बात नहीं करते. वो सोचते हैं यार अभी मेरा बिजनेस ग्रो नहीं हो रहा है, मेरे को एक और ऑफिस लेना है, मेरे को एक और पॉडकास्ट करना है, मेरे को और स्टूडियो लेना है, हम सोच रहे हैं ये ग्रोथ करे, हम सोच रहे हैं ये करे, अभी हम थोड़ा सा कम कर रहे हैं, बट आई एम थिंकिंग ऑफ डूइंग समथिंग बेटर नाउ. ये तो चाहिए.
the conversation जो है वो much more matured
है. So I like that. And that's why I don't talk with 20s people right now. Because 99% of Gen Z right now think about what their friends or what their circle is thinking about them. How they are looking in front of them.
क्या कपड़े पहन रहे हैं, क्या फोन यूज कर रहे हैं,
क्या कपड़े पहन रहे हैं, क्या हैबिट्स है. I feel the only person that I give importance to is my mom. If she is happy, I don't think about what she's thinking about me. मेरा बेटा क्या कर रहा होगा, क्या. I don't think about that. If she is happy, I am happy. That's it. मेरे को नहीं चाहिए और कुछ. Right? मैं मेरी फैमिली में अकेला लड़का हूँ. And मैं 15,000 की जॉब में खुश रह सकता हूँ. But my mom couldn't.
Of course.
She is around 45 right now. She needs love and care. She needs my attention. She needs a little luxury ताकि उनको body pain ना हो. She needs some more comfort right now. She can't work like I do. She doesn't have the energy right now, and it's my responsibility to give all of these things to her. और मैं 15,000 की जॉब में रहूँगा चलेगा. मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. But ये सब अगर मम्मी को मिल रहा है, I'm happy.
You're happy.
If you have this thought as a Gen Z, let me tell you, 99% of the time, the things that you are doing for other people, you are not going to do so. Because the first priority goes to your mom or dad right now.
Of course.
And if you can make that happen, you are done.
और ये चीज अगर उन्होंने ये एज पे कर ली तो उनका जो फ्यूचर है वो completely चेंज हो जाएगा.
हाँ.
Because at that point of time वो when they come to that 25-30s के एज पे, they don't have to think about अच्छा अभी मैं बिजनेस कैसा ग्रो करूंगा, अब मैं क्या करूंगा, क्योंकि they have already उन लोगों ने फाउंडेशन इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग सेट किया
yeah
कि then they don't have to worry about that.
And you need to go through all the processes. Like I would say कि मैं थोड़ा जल्दी प्रोसेस से ग्रो थ्रू कर रहा हूँ. Right. अभी I won't say it's a bad thing in their 20s because they have to go through it. Right. I don't जैसे for example मेरी emotions slow at this age right now. It's not a bad thing. हो रहे. I feel sometimes about few things in my life which bothers me. I have to feel them.
Of course.
I can't run away from them. I can't be a monk now.
Do you want to become a monk?
No.
कभी भी आया थॉट के यार छोड़ दूं संसार यार, मोह आया है सब.
No. I love my life. I want to be with my mom. I want to be with my pet, and I love the connection that we all have in my family, where I can just go her and annoy my mom anytime at 12 a.m. in the night कि मैं नहीं खा रहा खाना. She's like क्यों नहीं खा रहा? अब देख तो क्या बोल रही है. मैंने बाहर खा लिया, फिर मम्मी चिल्लाएगी.
अच्छा, you enjoy that? You enjoy guts of that?
मेरे को मजा आता है. Right. My first priority goes towards my mom.
Great, yeah.
बाकी सब बाहर में जाए.
Yeah, exactly. And then your mom also be very happy ना कि हाँ चलो मेरा छोकरा इतना हाई लेवल पे पहुंच रहा है, तो ऐसे लोगों
वो तो अलग लेवल पे अभी.
अच्छा ऐसा है. चमाट खाते हो कि नहीं?
डांट खाता हूँ.
डांट खाते हो?
चमाट नहीं
आती. उड़ता बेलन आता है?
नहीं. So I would say कि अगर डांट नहीं आए तो मुझे थोड़ा सा बोरिंग फील होने लग जाता है.
तो you bother करते हो जानबूझ के?
हाँ. I'm like मम्मी डांटो थोड़ा सा यार. I want these things in my life right now.
Okay.
So basically what I meant to say right now is what you are going through right now is meant to happen. वो होना ही था.
हाँ.
Right?
और उसको तुम कैसे फॉरवर्ड जाते हो उसको?
But the only way you can tackle that is by you don't live your life to show it to other people. बस ये खत्म कर दो. Live the life that you want to live.
Okay. You know Jeetu, I was just thinking as of right now when you're speaking about this. आपने ये कभी सोचा है कि you are an Instagram coach?
Yeah.
You're damn good at it. I mean we all see.
Thank you.
Okay. कभी ये सोचा है कि you also have this hunar that you use the word hate for the Gen Zs, or you said कि दया आ रही है. Maybe you could have start doing something which you could help them have this mindset that you have.
You can never
maybe
help
some seminar or some workshop just for Gen Zs.
You can never help someone. The teacher appears when the student is ready.
But what if there are students who are waiting for a teacher to come?
So maybe I am not ready for them.
So you're still waiting for that thing.
Yeah.
I really feel the way you spoke right now. मेरे को लगता है कि ना बहुत सारे जैसे Gen Zs को मैं भी जानता हूँ, तो I feel कि शायद वो है ना वेट कर रहे कोई तुम्हारे जैसे बंदे का आने का। किस क्या हो जाता है मालूम है कि इफ लाइक यू सेड लाइक यू लाइक टू हैंग आउट विद ओल्डर पीपल राइट, नॉट एवरीवन कैन डू दैट। कोई कोई लोगों को लगता है ना यार मेरे से वाइब्स मैच होनी चाहिए, मेरे एज का बंदा होना चाहिए। सो आई फील दैट यू हैव दैट पावर कि तुम शायद से कोई एक ऐसा वर्कशॉप करो या एक सेमिनार करो।
I go to colleges, I do events,
राइट,
right?
बट नॉट टॉक अबाउट इंस्टाग्राम।
हाँ, मेरे इवेंट्स में you will see Instagram तो मार्केटिंग का नाम है। When people comes to my event, अभी जैसे मेरा नेक्स्ट इवेंट जो होगा उसमें हम ये अनाउंस करेंगे कि you can bring your children for free.
Wonderful.
Right? 12 साल का बच्चा है, 14 साल का बच्चा लेके आओ, फ्री में लेके आओ। We will also have one disabled person for free. If you don't have eyes, hands, legs, anything like that, you can come for free.
Okay.
So one disabled person, and if let's say the participants that are coming, अगर आपके बच्चे हैं तो उनको फ्री में लेके आओ।
Okay.
So I'm going to do that. But what I'm trying to say right now is कि even if I do so, there are few people, even if they come to my event, talk to me, they still can't change because it's something in them. It's never about the environment, by the way.
Okay, it's your willingness.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I will tell you a story, right? See, so I was saying कि it's not just about the environment, just about the guru, just about the mentor that you have. It can influence to a very certain level, a very certain level. Until and unless you have the capability to adapt that, take actions over it, nothing is going to change. The reason for that is, abhi, if you know Vanar Sena, Ramayana, right? Ram ji was the leader of entire Vanar Sena. But why only Hanuman was able to jump from one sea to the entire Lanka? Why only he was the person जो पूरी लंका जला के आ गए थे? Hanuman ji had the capability of even beating Ravan. He had the capability of like वो सीता को आराम से लेके निकल जाते वहां से, right? But why only Hanuman? Leadership तो पूरी वानर सेना को मिल रही थी।
Absolutely.
Because हनुमान के अंदर कुछ था, and he surrendered himself in front of Ram fully. And he had something within him. And that willingness, that surrender, helped Hanuman to become that person.
Okay.
But he was a normal Vanar before.
Yeah, absolutely.
Right? He had powers. But when Ram came as a leader, it was actually Hanuman. Not just Ram.
Yeah, absolutely.
Right? It was a combination of
जो adapt किया, जो surrender किया. Like
so basically what I meant to say is, कि even if I go as a mentor, I teach things, it's not just me. It's the Gen Z.
Who needs to adapt.
They need to adapt. They need to evolve. My friends always, I have only 2 friends in my life right now. ठीक है? See, as a guy, I would always prefer तुम्हारी लाइफ में 2 लौंडे होने चाहिए जो तुम्हारा मजाक उड़ाए, but जो तुम्हारी सुने भी. Example, when I go to events, I learn a lot of stuff, right? मुझे भी चाहिए ना किसको सुनाऊं. तो मेरे जो 2 लौंडे हैं, मैं को सुनाता हूँ. और ये मुझे बहुत अच्छे वर्ड देते हैं कि तू तो ज्ञानी बाबा है, राइट? तू तो जीतू बाबा है, बट मुझे अच्छा लगता है।
Okay, you enjoy that?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm like, they are my 2 friends. They can call me whatever they want. And हाँ, मैं हूँ ज्ञानी बाबा, राइट? So मेरे लाइफ में वो 2 दोस्त है जो मुझे चिढ़ाते हैं अभी भी। अब मुझे नहीं पता वो सच में चिढ़ा रहे हैं, क्या चिढ़ा रहे हैं। I don't have to worry about that. But
वो thought सोच ही नहीं रहे हो कि क्या है।
बट मेरा ऐसा है कि मेरे दोस्त है वो मुझे अगर ज्ञानी बोल रहे हैं, वो अगर मुझे बच्चन चोद बोल रहे हैं कि तू बच्चन देता है, आई डोंट हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम विद दैट, राइट? और होता क्या है कि तुम्हारी लाइफ में ऐसे लोग होते हैं जो तुम्हें बोलते हैं, ऐसे तुम्हें फर्क पड़ जाता है। मेरे को तो मेरे दोस्तों से भी फर्क नहीं पड़ता।
हाँ, तुम सोचते ही नहीं उसके बारे में।
मैं तो हूँ भाई, मैं तो कोच हूँ।
एक से निकालो, एक से छोड़ो।
मैं हूँ कोच, मेरे को देना पड़ेगा बच्चन। मैं नहीं दूंगा तो लोग नहीं सुनेंगे। एंड दे आर लाइक द पर्सन हु हैज द रियल ज्ञान नेवर शेयर्स हिज ज्ञान। तो मैं बोला फिर क्या मॉन्क बन जाए सब पूरी दुनिया? ऐसे तो पूरी दुनिया मॉन्क बन जाएगी यार।
एग्जैक्टली,
कुछ बोलो ही मत। तुम अपना ज्ञान ना बांटो, तुम अपनी हेल्प ना करो, तुम
खाली ऐसा देख के इंट्यूशन से बात करो।
बस, यस। तो फिर पूरी दुनिया कर लो, फिर बन जाओ सब, छोड़ दो सब कुछ। मोह माया में हो तुम, करना पड़ेगा, तो
करना पड़ेगा। So you know, I'm glad that you're saying that so you're not pare from the मोह माया।
हाँ यार, मेरे को पैसा कमाना है, मेरे को लाइफ जीनी है, मेरे को घूमना है, मेरे को चाहिए मेरी फैमिली यॉट पे घूमे, मेरे को चाहिए मैं और मॉम जब यॉट पर रहे, हम दुबई के बीच में, हम लाइक मम्मी कंटाला आ रहा है यार, चलो जेट में घूम के आते हैं। मम्मी इज लाइक बेटा ऊपर प्राइस, टेंशन क्यों ले रहे मैं, आपको जाना है? मम्मी लाइक हाँ चलो। I don't want my family to think about money, freedom or anything where they are like काश ये होता तो मजा आता।
But what काश you don't want it?
उनको होना चाहिए, जी तो है, चलो हो गया।
Right. So ये सब सारे जो ज्ञान है तो तुम दूसरों पे पेलते हो, बता रहे हो।
Yeah.
ये ज्ञान आता कहाँ से?
So if I talk about the ज्ञान from where it is coming, मुझे कोई भी टॉपिक इंटरेस्टिंग लगता है, मैं उसकी बुक पढ़ लेता हूँ, उसका पॉडकास्ट देख लो या उसका कोर्स खरीद लेता हूँ. आई इन्वेस्ट too much amount of money in my own knowledge. And yeah, I don't invest in finance, SIPs, mutual funds. I have a very huge and strong opinion that at the age that I am right now, I want to learn more, invest more in myself, and I'm going to do that right now.
Okay.
And I want to be highly focused into that only.
Okay. Investing in finance.
Investing in myself.
Into yourself. Okay.
Yeah, not in finance.
Okay. I'll come to that. To that. I have a question for that. But before that, so you said you do, you read a lot of books.
Yeah, I will give you an example. How do I invest in myself, right? I consciously invest in myself. For example, I did an event right now, जहाँ पे I was learning how to build a community like coaches. I'm going to do an event on 25th October where you will build your inner warrior. Okay. That's what they say. But if I define you, it's basically healing your inner child and at the same time conquering your own self, right? So I'm gonna learn about that because I know कि मेरे अंदर कोई तो inner child है जो रो रहा है. I am aware about that. उनको solve करना है, मैं solve करूँगा, ठीक है?
Okay.
तो मैं वहाँ जाके solve कर लूँगा. Last month हिमांशु के event में we went to learn about business, the 2.0. I learned business over there, right? So every month I attend one event where I'm getting something new.
Okay.
By the way, this month it's the total number of events will be 5.
This month itself.
This month. एक तो कर लिया अभी. एक मैं गोवा जाने वाला हूँ. It's a retreat of a dating coach, and they're going to talk about.
Kshitij
No, just Karan.
Okay.
Yeah. So they're going to talk about masculinity. They're going to talk about how does a man achieve things, become focused, and focus on one thing at a time. How do you activate that energy where you are like काम करना है, growth चाहिए, contribution करना है, everything, right? So वो होगा. EWP हो रहा है. And then there is one event जहाँ पे मैं as a speaker जा रहा हूँ.
Okay.
Right? Like 4 or 5 events going on. That's one area. Second thing, I invest a lot in my own knowledge through courses, but I have a very strict rule. I buy the most expensive course of the person.
Okay, is it?
Yeah, I don't go for the less one because I know this thing, they are creating that course to ultimately buy that last one.
Understood. Okay.
Right.
आप सीधा line skip कर देते हो ऐसा.
Yeah.
वो तरह से नहीं जाने, वही जाने.
If I want to learn psychology, I call Just Karan, what's your L3? I want to learn about women and men psychology. Please send me your course so that I can tap into marketing part where I understand, oh, this is what they want. Right? Because I need to understand how does a man think and how does a woman think. Because women think very differently. मैंने पढ़ा women psychology.
I don't know if anybody knows how women think. I think they know it, but then as soon as they think I know it, and then women comes up with something else, it's like told you. तो मेरे को लगता है वो एक है ना बुक है इसके ऊपर, आप वो रीड करना, Men are from Mars and Women are from Venus. Very interesting. Interesting.
Yeah, I mean that's a different topic, but again,
that's a topic for the next podcast. उसके लिए I think उसके अंदर शायद अपन 5, 6, 10, 12 पॉडकास्ट कर देंगे ना तो भी शायद खत्म नहीं हो रहा है.
Very big topic. The guy that I know has went deep into it, scientifically, logically, biologically, in all terms of manners. Called him, send me your L3. If I want to know about sadhana, meditation, and everything, will call my person, spiritual guy. I'm like, I think you have courses. What's your highest वाला? He's like, this one. I'm like, भेज दो link, check कर रहा हूँ. एक ही रात में बैठूंगा, वो कुछ 12-15 घंटे का कोर्स होगा, एक ही रात में पूरा खत्म कर दूंगा.
अच्छा, okay. So you do it that way. That's how you do investments for yourself.
Yeah.
But then do you select multiple coaches for yourself, or do you have like कि भाई ये एक है spirituality वाला गुरु मेरे लिए, ये एक ही है कि तुम दूसरे को भी.
In one genre, I have specific coaches. Okay. But again, if I don't connect, I will change immediately.
अच्छा, you will change. Okay.
I am always ready to change.
Okay. So you need to get your vibes matched.
Yeah. जैसे if I talk about spirituality, I have only one person who teaches me about sadhana, who teaches me about focus, who teaches me about my inner connection. How do I use my gut feeling? How do I connect with him? How this universe working? I have only one person.
Okay.
Right? If I talk about astrology, I have only one person.
Okay.
Who tells me कि जीतू, you have to let go things right now. You are in this situation. Just let go things. Don't do anything. It's a logical astrologer. मुझे अगर वो बोलेगा कि भाई अंगूठी पहन ले, मैं मना कर दूंगा.
हाँ, fair enough.
तो मैंने सिंपल से बोला हुआ है, you teach me logical things. तो for example, he told me कि right now you're in this situation where you will try to control everything. Okay. I'm like, ठीक है, मैं let go कर दूंगा. like, हाँ, ये करना था.
That's it. That's simple steps.
So even if I use my, let's say, common sense while becoming aware of, oh, ये होने वाला है, then also you are fine. You don't need to wear anything like that.
Okay. हाँ, fair enough. Right. Mindset clear होना चाहिए.
हाँ, मैंने उसको बोला मुझे build करना अंदर से. Now it's your responsibility. तो जब मेरे इमोशंस ओवरफ्लो होते हैं, I'm like, प्राणायाम कर लूं? He's like, हाँ.
Okay.
If you give me situations like this, even if something happens with my planets, I don't have to worry about it. It's because now I'm becoming a person who can tackle those things with my own gut feeling now.
Okay. Okay. Fair enough.
Right? So
Right.
I hire people. Then last comes is experiences. I go to events. So I go to retreats. For example, ashram, Sadhguru. I went to Isha Foundation.
Isha Foundation. Yeah.
Right? I went to Sri Sri Ravi Shankar. I am also going to do Vipassana
Vipassana. Okay. You have
Next.
done Vipassana. You're going to do Vipassana.
next month for 10 days.
Oh, great.
I am afraid also, but yeah.
कुछ बात नहीं करना है, कुछ बोलना नहीं है.
Like they said,
It's a mum.
10 days. So Vipassana is basically 10 दिन आपके पास फोन नहीं होगा, कोई बुक नहीं होगी रीड करने के लिए, कुछ लिखने के लिए नहीं होगा, कुछ सुनने के लिए नहीं होगा, कोई बात करने के लिए लोग नहीं होंगे. आप सुबह 4 बजे उठोगे, मेडिटेशन करोगे, ब्रेकफास्ट करोगे, मेडिटेशन करोगे, लंच करोगे, मेडिटेशन करोगे, स्नैक्स मे बी शायद, या सो जाओगे, उठोगे, and just go for 10 days.
Yeah, that's challenging.
And I'm going to do it in the next month for 10 days.
Best of luck.
Yeah. And I'm like, let me see, what do I do when I don't do anything? How does my
How's
body
your thought
respond?
process?
Who is that real Jitu which can come out? Maybe he knows his purpose.
Maybe 10 दिन बाद तुम monk नहीं बन जाओ, ऐसा नहीं हो जाए.
Not possible, I think.
Like आया Vipassana बोले जीतू IG कुछ नहीं, अभी जीतू monk है.
So even if I become a monk, I would still create content and serve people.
Okay, still that too. Okay,
So-
you'll be content creator. for
I
life.
would be in that Momaya.
Nahin, man, you cannot be a monk and be in that moment. You have to sell your Ferrari. You know?
So understand this thing. Na? I don't want to put this into terms, but yeah, I would say that I would love to create content for my life
Fair enough.
and to serve people till my last breath.
Okay. No matter what happens.
या मैं आराम से बनाऊंगा चलेगा, कम बनाऊंगा चलेगा, कभी कभार नहीं बनाऊंगा चलेगा, बट मैं बनाते रहूंगा एंड वो अपने पूरे लाइफ टाइम तक करूंगा.
Okay.
I would teach I will teach Instagram, life, spirituality, meditation, but कुछ ना कुछ तो
कुछ ना
सिखाऊंगा.
कुछ तो कर रहा हूँ. Okay.
I am a coach, I am a creator,
You're a coach and a creator.
I am a
So,
C square.
You don't see square. I love that. C-square. Okay, you're a coach and you're a creator. Great. Yeah. So
Right.
you're gonna always keep on teaching something no matter what happens. Great.
It's my therapy.
It's a therapy.
So I have tested this. Whenever my emotions go very volatile, चलो अभी तो 20 का होता तो होना ही होना पहली बात तो.
Naturally, because you still have
Right.
long way to go.
And I think the moment you become aware of it, it goes away. So मैं तो बोलता हाँ होना ही होना है, 2 घंटा रो लो उसके बाद ठीक हो जाता है.
ठीक हो जाता है.
Otherwise we just go and keep on digging it. क्या हो रहा है? Oh, I don't want.
क्या हो रहा है, क्यों हो रहा है?
क्या हो रहा है,
Either
क्यों
way.
हो रहा है, बहुत कुछ होता है.
हाँ.
But ultimately, I would say that because of these courses, events, spiritual mentors, I'm not asking these questions of क्या and क्यों हो रहा है, because I know क्या हो रहा है and क्यों हो रहा है. Right? But when you don't know क्या हो रहा है, क्यों हो रहा है, you need to ask it.
But you
When
need
you-
to ask yourself. That's
Yeah.
what you're saying. Because वो क्या हो जाता है कि हम जाके यहाँ गलती बहुत सारे लोग क्या करते हैं कि they go and ask others.
They go and ask people who don't have that idea.
Exactly. And तुम
I
क्या feel
asked-
कर रही हो उनको नहीं पता चलेगा.
Yeah. I asked 2 people. So, example, I simply asked my spiritual mentor कि when I go through volatile emotions, if I talk to people, will I release my emotions? He's like, no. पागल है? मेरा सिंपल ये आया
हाँ.
कि भाई बात करूंगा तो इमोशंस निकलेंगे ना. लाइक किससे बात करता डिफर करते हैं.
हाँ. कोई गलत साइकोलॉजिस्ट मिल गया तो वाट लगेगी.
अगर कोई आपको ये बोल दे आके कि भाई हाउ वुड यू फील, राइट, अगर आप ऐसे इंसान हो कि कोई कुछ भी बोले मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता, तो शायद आपको बात करने की जरूरत भी नहीं.
जरूरत ही नहीं. हाँ, that's true. That's true.
सो या मुझे फर्क पड़ता है मैं किससे बात कर रहा हूँ. And I can say that yes, I may get influenced with people. So I'm very selective with who do I talk to.
Who do you speak?
That's why I only have 2 friends.
Do you care about your vibes matching and understanding कि अच्छा यार इसके साथ मेरी vibes match हो रही है नहीं हो रही है.
इतना सोचने लग जाऊं.
पर नहीं वो एक intuition आ जाता है ना. Because I think you have done.
वही तो.
हाँ, you know you've
सोचने की
done
जरूरत
that.
ही नहीं है.
हाँ? नहीं, but you have done NLP I think as well.
I am learning about it.
You're learning about it.
I focus on this thing. बात करने का मन करे कर ले, नहीं करने का मन करे thank you.
Okay, that's it. So short and sweet. Cool. What is your thoughts on manifestation?
Thoughts.
Do you manifest?
हाँ.
You do not manifest.
हाँ मैंने हाँ.
हाँ. Oh, वही मैं बोला. हाँ ना लगा.
All your life you only do consciously or subconsciously you manifest things. So whatever you have things right now in your present moment are nothing but a manifestation that you did in your past, and whatever things you will be having in your future are nothing but a manifestation of what you are doing right now. Right? Whether it's negative or positive. अब few people say जो बुरा है वो तुम कर रहे हो, अच्छा है वो कर रहा है. I don't go with that psychology. I go with simple psychology. जो भी कर रहा हूँ मैं कर रहा हूँ because now I can take responsibility of my own self.
Own actions.
I know that he is doing something, I can't control it, but I can control my own self. I can't control my outer situations. वो किसके हाथ में, उसके हाथ में, यूनिवर्स के हाथ में, I don't know. But yeah, मेरे इमोशंस कैसे फ्लो रहे ये मेरे हाथ में.
ये तुम्हारे हाथ में. But yeah, this is a great way of thinking how you manifest, right?
Yeah.
What is your manifestation techniques?
See, whenever you keep something on pedestal, you can't manifest it because you become desperate for it. All the 20-year boys right now, you are thinking about your ex maybe, your girlfriend maybe, and you want it badly, right? So you're desperate for that. You keep that on pedestal. You are not going to have it. That's my rule for meditation.
Okay.
Don't keep anything on pedestal.
Just keep it clear, keep it clean.
You are on the pedestal.
Okay, you're the power.
Yeah, I am the power. When people are like, ये तो egoistic बात हो गई. I'm like, yeah, only winners have arrogance. You are not a winner.
Good way of saying it. Subtle way of saying it. That's okay. I take that. That's fine. And how about visualization?
I don't do it consciously.
Okay.
अपने आप ही होता है.
बोर्ड लगाया कि
So, see, कैसा है पता है? Right now, I am at that stage where I don't think I need to go consciously visualize my own stuff. I'm doing this, that. मैंने कर लिया वो 5 साल पहले. So consciously visualize. I'm on a stage. You know, I am speaking to let's say 100 people. मैं कर रहा हूँ आज.
Fair.
I used to consciously visualize कि you know I would be having tons and tons of people calling me out on the podcast. I will be going there and ये. But अभी वो मेरा natural process बन चुका है. मैं all time सोचता हूँ यार 1000 लोग कब आएंगे.
Next is 1,000 people. That's what it is.
I went to synthesis events. He called me on stage. Stage पे गया 2,500 लोग सामने थे. I'm like ये चाहिए मेरे को.
ये चाहिए यार. And I think that's the best visualization as well.
Yeah.
You already have his platform where you could have already thought कि हाँ अरे यार, you know ये मेरे को 1,000-2,000 लोग सामने है, feeling जो आ रही है बहुत अच्छी है.
I would say it's a technique because I'm not a manifestation coach, but what worked in my life, I can tell you that, right? The simple thing that I follow to manifest anything in my life is not giving too much importance to that particular thing.
Okay, that's how you do it.
Yeah, that's what works for me because if I give too much importance that I want this in my life, मेरे को यही चाहिए, I'm saying I don't have it. I'm like अच्छा ये चाहिए मेरे को. I'm becoming aware about it. I start working towards it.
कैसे ला सकते हैं इसको?
बस I don't think about कैसे ला सकते हैं, but I'm like जो हो रहा है कर लेंगे. जैसे I have the simple rule. I want to make once a month. I don't know how. अभी I think webinar करके कर सकता हूँ. चलो webinar कर लेता हूँ. Content post करके चलो content post कर लेता हूँ. Just go with that flow. You know, while becoming aware that I want to make once a month because I enjoy the process. I don't focus on the process.
Okay, you enjoy the process.
I focus on the goal and I enjoy the process because I know वो जो सोचा था मैंने वो करने के लिए. So basically, what happens is, what's unhappiness? Let's say
something that you're doing which isn't what you want to do. तुम ऐसी चीज कर रहे हो जो तुम नहीं करना चाहते.
What Naval says is that you have a desire and the amount of time you will take to reach to that desire and that period of you don't have it in front of you, you're working for it, is the amount that you will spend in your unhappiness moments.
कि वो मेरे पास नहीं है.
तो मैं तो बोलता हूँ अगर नहीं है एक काम करते हैं वो जो प्रोसेस है उसी को उसको मजेदार बना लेते हैं.
इससे खुश रहो.
राइट, बिकॉज मुझे पता है वो नहीं मिलने वाली. व्हाट आई वांट इज इमोशन कैन कम थ्रू एनीथिंग. वो चीज नहीं है कोई बात नहीं, प्रोसेस में मजा कर लूंगा, मिलेगी और मजा. Right. That's how I feel. Manifestation is simple. It's a rule. You want it, become aware about it. You want it. Okay. Now start working for it. Don't think too much.
Great. All right. Now I'm gonna utilize you for your mastery of digital content creation. Okay. So let's take this podcast a little bit over there. I think because. You know, I think people who might be watching this podcast are like, यार ये बंदा कोई और ही है. तो ऐसी कोच तो नहीं है.
So I don't know, but I have this theory that every coach is a life coach, and ultimately a human needs a human to talk.
Absolutely,
because
human needs a right human to talk to.
Yeah.
The right is the keyword.
The right is the keyword.
Yeah.
So philosophy goes like this: that even if I don't teach Instagram, and if I talk to people would still be happy.
Of course, fair enough.
Right. So if I add Instagram तो फिर धमाका ही हो जाएगा.
So Instagram is your brahmastra basically.
Because people gives a lot of importance to information in content, in business, in real life. But what I feel and what I think is information is not that important. Let's say if you want to grow on Instagram and you are thinking that I will give out the best information. It's a good thing as a first generation creator. right? For example, you're an entrepreneur, you're like, मैं दुनिया का बेस्ट प्रोडक्ट बनाऊंगा. Good as a first generation entrepreneur. But the second generation entrepreneur will be like, oh, I need to create systems, I need to create distribution, I need to create a team, I need to hire CEOs. Similarly, when you become a second generation creator, you don't focus on information, you focus on how you give your information.
Okay.
I don't worry about what information I'm giving in my content. I'm worrying about how am I giving it.
Okay.
Right? Example chodo. I will give you a simple analogy.
Okay.
Information is overloaded on Instagram, overloaded on internet. People
Agreed.
have too much information.
Agreed.
They're watching 1,000 reels in a day. Maybe they don't even know you. They don't even remember you.
Possibly.
Right? They can't remember what information you are giving. But they can remember how you are giving it.
Okay.
Right? जीतू आप white board पे सिखाते हो, मजा आता है.
वो मजा आता है. Okay,
तो
because
लोग-
that's your unique way of doing it.
Yeah.
Okay.
तो लोग मुझे आके बोलते हैं, जीतू you share a lot of your vulnerability. You share a lot about how you're feeling. मजा आता है. I'm like, मैं तो Instagram में सिखा रहा हूँ इसके अंदर को. But people are enjoying it.
They're enjoying the process of the way you're teaching. Okay.
So you don't need to give out the best information to grow on Instagram. You don't need to give out something valuable, something एकदम unique to grow on Instagram. If you want to go viral on Instagram, information doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is flavor.
Okay.
Now, what do I mean with flavor? See, everyone has different flavors. Some people will, let's say, have a vanilla flavor. Some people will, let's say, have a butterscotch flavor. And some people naturally will have a chocolate flavor. And you will connect to that flavor only.
Fair.
Right? For example, I have met so many business coaches. All business coaches say the same thing. But I connect with only one.
Fair enough. And I agree to that.
Right?
Yeah.
तो मतलब information matter नहीं करती है.
क्योंकि
मैं कहीं से भी ले सकता हूँ.
कैसे भी ले सकते हैं.
मैं कहीं से भी ले सकता हूँ and कैसे भी ले सकता हूँ. Yes. Who is giving that matters to me now? Because I want to connect with that human. And that's why I always have this philosophy of information never matters in content. The content that you're giving is not at all that important in your content. Context you're giving in your content is not that important. It's the only thing that matters to go viral on Instagram is how you are giving that information, how you're presenting your own self, and how you're connecting with your audience, how genuine you are. Right? There are people who don't show their vulnerable side, other side, and they put themselves on a pedestal and they create an aspirational image. कि मैं तो एक अलग ही लेवल पर.
एक perfectionist का हुआ.
Yeah.
हाँ. Understood.
And when you do that also, people are not going to connect with you.
Not gonna get it.
So simply don't focus on information, present in your own style, and show what you are.
Be who you are. You know, एक चीज में हमेशा कहते रहता हूँ. It's not what you say, it's how you say. This is something which I've always followed. और बहुत बार ये मैं लोगों को बताता भी हूँ कि जब कुछ इश्यू हो जाता है या कुछ फाइट हो जाती है, कुछ हो जाती है, तो ये ऐसे क्यों हो गया? मतलब मेरा जो तू बोला सही बोला, पर तूने जैसे बोला वो गलत बोला.
Yeah.
So it's not what you say.
It's how you say
How
all
you
the
say.
time. It's not what's happening to you. It's how you're responding to it.
But how much does, जैसे तुमने बोला कि information doesn't matter, it's how you say or how you give your information matters. But how much does this particular thing having into a followers matter? कितना तुम्हारे लिए followers important है? You know, because see, you have 600,000 followers. 594 है.
494.
494 है. Okay, well,
Yeah,
inshallah 6 हो जाएंगे जल्दी then.
हाँ जी.
So we'll manifest that.
Yeah.
Okay, so because there was another influencer, she had come here and she was somewhere in 40s and she said, yeah, मुझे 50-55 पहुंचना. And within 2-3 weeks she had reached 50. So ये हमारा manifestation couch है.
हाँ जी.
So we'll manifest 600,000 for you.
1.2 million.
Let's make it 2 million. Let's do it 2 million.
But the reason I said the 1.2 I said specifically is because I have a photo at my home. So मैंने edit करके रखा हुआ है.
1.2 million.
1.2 million.
Oh, sweet.
And it's in my desk only.
Oh, great.
So
Okay.
some
So
manifesting
अपन जब नीचे जाएंगे ना, तो मेरा जहाँ पर मैं usually बैठता हूँ, वहाँ पर मैंने भी लिखा. मैंने 600,000 लिख के रखा है as of right. So मेरा because I sit and work there, and that's the reason I've written that. मैं जब भी काम करता हूँ, मेरे को दिखता है सामने. So that somehow, some way, that particular number is stuck in my head. So I'm like, okay, I'll stick with that. So okay,
Got
1.2 million for you.
Yeah.
So next time when I sit with you, we're gonna have 1.2 million for Jeetu IG Coach.
100%.
Inshallah. Great. So I was gonna ask you that के ये आजकल क्या हो गया, follower game हो गया, right? कि अरे इसके follower इतने हैं, उसके follower इतने हैं. Because I personally felt as well, this is what has happened with me as well. That कि few of the people really saw my content. They were like, अरे आपका content बहुत अच्छा है, आप बहुत अच्छी बातें करते हो, questions बहुत अच्छे पूछते हो, guests बहुत अच्छे लाते हो. I'm like, thank you so much. बोले followers क्यों नहीं है आपके?
See, the question comes down, does follower matters to Jeetu or not? Or does followers should matter for people or not, right? See, it should matter because ultimately that's what defines your growth as a creator, right? If I talk कि you're a business owner, so the most common thing that would define your growth is profit कितना बन रहा है, right? रेवेन्यू कितना है, प्रॉफिट कितना है, कितने एम्प्लॉय काम कर रहे हैं, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है, कितनी बड़ी कंपनी कुछ नहीं, प्रॉफिट कितना बन रहा है. सिमिलरली व्हेन यू बिकम अ क्रिएटर, द थिंग दैट डिफाइंस योर ग्रोथ इज भाई कितने फॉलोअर्स है आपके, राइट? So when you say you're a YouTuber, oh, how many followers do you have?
Literally the first thing when
It's a
I tell people
metric.
podcast है, how many followers do you have? मतलब content पूछ ले भाई.
It's a metric. That's how people judge your growth. They define your growth. It's a metric to see your growth, right? And for me, I wouldn't say it doesn't matter because in my heart I know it matters, right? I want to go to that 1.2 million. But what's more important for me right now is that connect with my audience.
Okay.
I want to connect more with my audience, right? I've started praying for my audience, right? Because I want to genuinely connect with those people. Okay. Because maybe you have 1.2 million followers, but if you don't have a connection, if let's say you post a story and no one responds to you, and no one, let's say you post that I'm feeling sad, and no one responds to you, and you're like, bro, I'm there. You don't have a follower. You don't have an audience. You have followers.
You have followers.
I have audience. My life पे गया, I was almost about to cry. People are like, भाई क्या हो गया? All good. अरे हम आपके साथ हैं भाई. You are an inspiration. ये वो. I'm like, अरे भाई साहब, ये क्या हो गया?
इतने सारे तो okay.
There are 100 people in the life. Only 100 people in the life. And people are like going crazy now. Right. So more importantly for me, how do I connect with that number matters to me, but ultimately it's a metric to define your growth. So you should be working on it.
Okay, fair enough. I appreciate that. Another question that I have for you is that how come some content creators go instant viral and some people take so long?
When you want to grow on Instagram, there are only two words that will make you go viral on Instagram.
Okay.
Right. Any creator that you see growing very fast, 6 महीने में 1 million, 3 महीने में 500K or anything like that, follow these two words. The first is viral pattern. Okay. The second is viral format. Okay. Again, viral pattern and viral format is ultimately we say कि how do you present your information, right? Viral pattern का मतलब होता है कि let's say आपने whiteboard पे वीडियो बनाया and it's working for you. Now you create only on whiteboard. You might आपने देखा होगा काफी लोग सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक ही टाइप का वीडियो बनाते हैं.
हाँ, correct.
Right. जैसे I know a guy, he review books and he starts always like this. इस किताब की इस लाइन ने मेरी जिंदगी बदल दी.
Correct.
Right. Yeah. The moment he doesn't use this line, he doesn't go viral with that particular video. It's a viral pattern for him, right? I have a viral pattern where I say जितना ज़्यादा dash करोगे उतना ज़्यादा dash होगा. For example, जितना ज़्यादा experiment करोगे उतना ज़्यादा grow करोगे, जितना ज़्यादा copy करोगे उतना ज़्यादा grow करोगे. All of my these reels have like 600K, 1.2 million, 1.7 million views. Okay. It's a viral pattern for me. So you can figure out viral patterns in your competitor's account or in your own account if you have done post, and you can repeat those patterns. That's one way to. That's the only way to go viral. Okay. Right. If I would say that you don't want to build your brand, you don't want image, you don't want to create a good image, connect with your audience, simply copy and paste viral pattern and formats. Okay. हाँ, आपको अच्छा brand बनाना है, लोगों से connect करना है, थोड़ी image अच्छी बनानी है, then you can focus on content, you can focus on information, you can focus on multiple other things. But when you want to go viral, it's just a viral pattern and viral format.
Right. Okay. Viral pattern and viral format. अभी ये viral pattern और viral format आपने जैसे बताया, you said two things. One, that you have to figure out your own way. कि ये एक है, और दूसरा कि दूसरे का कॉपी कर. अभी समझो कि एक पर्सन ने ढूंढ लिया कि चलो मैं तुम्हारा ही कॉपी करूंगा, अगर ये इतनी बार डैश करोगे तो इतनी बार डैश होगा. तो how many times I should make that video to know कि ये मेरे लिए वर्क कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा है?
I have a rule that let's say if I'm experimenting 5-6 patterns, one pattern I at least do it for 20-25 times. Okay, so 25 videos you're talking about. Yeah, you can say that. Okay. So let's say if I want to test 3 patterns, 25. Okay.
तो वो अलग थे. And which one? So अगर समझो उसमें से कोई भी एक वायरल हो गया, then you stick to that particular thing and then move on to it. Fair enough.
Sometimes ना अभी वो मेरे वो नंबर छोटा हो चुका है. Okay. Earlier when I started, it used to take me long enough to understand whether ये pattern काम करेगा या नहीं करेगा. Okay. Now it goes even 4-5 videos.
अच्छा, that quick you know, okay, it's gonna
नहीं चलेगा ये.
Okay. Right. और but you still experiment? Yeah. A lot. You still keep changing.
I know what pattern will work on my profile, but I don't do it because I want to experiment.
Okay. That's
this is my fun नहीं है वो guys.
Okay. So you want the kick.
I want kick. I want fun, excitement.
Understood.
Right.
Understood.
My mentor told me don't start saying कि struggle नहीं है तो मजा नहीं है, problem है तो मजा नहीं, problem नहीं है तो मजा नहीं है, easy नहीं तो मजा नहीं, वही attract करेगा. Simply से excitement नहीं.
तुम्हारे reels में ना मैंने बहुत बार सुना है SSG and DML.
Yeah.
What is that, bro? So
SSG is basically simple, sada, ghatiya. You follow this rule. If you want to go viral on Instagram, the best way to do that is like with this formula, SSG, which is simple, sada, ghatiya. The moment you want to start something, experiment something, create something, test something, do something, do it simple, sada, ghatiya.
Okay.
Right?
All right.
Don't make it complicated. Don't make it hypothetically. एकदम आसमान पे
Perfectionist नहीं बनना है.
Yeah.
हाँ, okay.
Don't do that. Simply do it in your own way, जहाँ पे तुम कर सकते हो कैसे भी. You're like podcast test करना है, चलेगा. जैसा भी ऑफिस हो चलेगा, doesn't matter. चालू करो. Start करना is the most difficult skill, I would say. If you can start, you can end.
You can end, yeah. And
or you can even
grow.
sustain.
And you can grow.
Yeah.
Yes, that's
right.
what it is.
But you can't sustain if you don't start, right? Just start. That's just a simple sada ghatiya.
Okay.
Don't make it complicated.
Okay. Keep it simple.
Yeah. And second rule is DML. दिमाग मत लगाओ. Right.
I love that. I really do love that.
The reason I say dimag mat lagao is, see, I know that I have control on myself, but I also know that I don't have control on a lot of stuff. And that's why you don't need to put your brain into it.
Okay.
Because when you zoom in too much, you would become a bunker of stress. तुम्हारे पास भरा पड़ा रहेगा stress. But you can't control those things. Right? Just I know that I can't control my views.
Fair enough.
I am an Instagram coach. I'm saying I can't control the amount of views the algorithm is going to give me. दोस्त नहीं मेरा.
पक्का ना, या कि तुम्हारा कुछ बैकअप प्लान है पीछे से जाके ये इतने अभी 1000 व्यूज डाल दो, 1 million व्यूज डाल दो.
And it's not like that. But I am aware that it's not going to happen. Like it's not in my control. So मैं वो चीजें छोड़ देता हूँ. I'm like दिमाग मत लगाओ. जो मैं कर रहा हूँ, जो मैं कर सकता हूँ, मैं वही करूँगा.
Okay. So you keep that format for yourself. इसके अंदर आप क्या जवाब दोगे कि अभी जैसे for example you're making videos, you're a content creator. Will coming back to the topic of कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे वाला part, right? So of course I run a podcast, you know, and you're here with me. I appreciate that again. तो बहुत बार है ना मेरे podcast देख के लोग बोलते हैं ये सही नहीं है, ये सही नहीं है, ये सही नहीं है. 10 लोग जो मिलेंगे ना उसमें से 8 लोग बोलेंगे ये सही नहीं है, ये सही. 2 लोग बोलेंगे भाई तू कर रहा है ना वो बहुत बड़ी बात है. 40 पॉडकास्ट कर लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है. लोग चालू भी नहीं कर रहे और तू कर चुका है. And you're consistent. हमारा जो होता है जैसे ये I was in well in September. लकी एंड मैंने कोई पॉडकास्ट नहीं किया. I was on bed rest. But लकीली हमने इतना शूट कर लिए थे कि अक्टूबर एंड तक का हमारे पास कॉन्टेंट था. तो पूरा काम नहीं करने के बाद भी मेरे पास इतना कॉन्टेंट था. सो दोस 10 पीपल उसमें से 8 लोग यही बोलेंगे ये सही नहीं, ये सही नहीं, ये सही नहीं. वो 2 लोग ही होंगे जो हाँ अच्छा कर रहे हैं. हाउ डू यू टैकल दोस 8 पीपल? लाइक उनका सबका सुनने का कि सामने जवाब देने का? सुनने का. तो हाउ डू यू डू दैट? क्योंकि 8 लोग 8 अलग अलग चीज बताएंगे. सो हाउ डू यू टैकल दैट?
सुनो सबकी करो अपनी.
Okay.
Because say there are 8 people, they will give you 8 different feedbacks.
Fair.
If you want to work on them, work on it. If not, don't work.
So you take their feedback.
Always.
Okay, but you don't fight back. अरे कुछ भी बोल रहा है, चालू तो कर पहले.
Never.
Okay, so you take that. Take it. You still do it with yourself.
मैं तो कॉल करके पूछता हूँ. Great. Okay. I talk to my customers a lot. I'm like मैं अभी 1 हफ्ते पहले की बात करूँ. संडे को बोर हो रहा था. 12 बजे मैंने अपना एक्सेल शीट्स तो पड़ी रहती है. राहुल लास्ट वेबिनार में कितने लोग थे? He's like 120. हमें सबके लिस्ट भेज दे. लिस्ट भेजी. I'm like हेलो सर क्या हाल चाल? He's like जीतू. I'm like हाँ जीतू. आपकी टीम? मैंने नहीं जीतू. like अरे सर आपने कॉल किया? मैंने हाँ. तो then he was like कि हाँ बोलिए. I'm like how was the webinar? He's like अच्छा था. I'm like what's negative?
Okay.
कुछ तो होगा जो मैं improve कर सकता हूँ. Can you give me feedback? Should I improve something? Was the process of attending the webinar was smooth? Like not. मैं क्या हुआ? He's like इंटरनेट ग्लिच था बेशक बार. आप रिकॉर्डिंग प्ले कर रहे हो? मैं बोला हाँ. तो बोलते आपका रिकॉर्डिंग थोड़ा डाइवर्ट हो गया था. अच्छा. मैंने 3 लोगों से सेम सुना. सर इंटरनेट में थोड़ा दिक्कत आ रहा है. मतलब मेरे जूम अकाउंट में दिक्कत होगा. जो बंदा बैठ रहा है उसमें दिक्कत होगी, या जो बंदा जहाँ से ऑपरेट कर रहा है वो दिक्कत है. तो उसको बोलते मैंने भाई ऑफिस से काम कर, तेरा इंटरनेट में दिक्कत है. ओके. This is a work on it. One guy told me जीतू 200 रुपीज में आपने जो वैल्यू दी थी वो बहुत बढ़िया थी. दूसरा बंदा बोलता है यार मैं ना मेरी प्रॉब्लम थी कि मेरे को प्रोडक्शन सीखना था बट आपके वेबिनार में था ही नहीं वो. अरे भाई मैंने एल्गोरिथम आज से वर्कशॉप रखी है, प्रोडक्शन सिखाऊंगा कहाँ से मैं? तो ये मैं इग्नोर करूंगा. ओके. बट मैं बोलूंगा ओके आई एम सो सॉरी बट आई थिंक ओके इफ दैट्स द केस देन आई विल गिव यू अ रिफंड. इफ यू डोंट लाइक माय प्रोडक्ट आई विल गिव यू अ रिफंड. राइट. इज लाइक नो नहीं हम सीखा काफी कुछ सीखा. हमने अच्छा काफी कुछ सीखा. हां अभी बोल रहे हैं. राइट. बट देन आई एम लाइक कि प्रोडक्शन के लिए मैं कभी और वेबिनार करूंगा. वी डोंट टीच प्रोडक्शन इन दिस वेबिनार. आई एम सो सॉरी फॉर दैट. लेट्स से हमारा कम्युनिकेशन आपसे अच्छा नहीं हुआ होगा. आई विल वर्क ऑन माय मैसेजिंग. जहां पे हमने कहीं अगर बोला हो ऐसा तो आई विल वर्क ऑन दैट. बट या हमारा कोई और वेबिनार होगा 2-day इवेंट में, वहां आओगे. ओके. वहां सिखा देंगे. हां तो यू विल ऐड दैट पर्टिकुलर प्रोजेक्ट फॉर इट. Yeah.
I mean, of course, वो तो depending on how many people tell you that कि ये required and whatever.
Always. You always take feedbacks. You always take.
Hmm.
You always hear out people, but you do what
you want.
what you feel you want to do.
Okay. Fair enough.
If someone says me your content is Jitu, I don't think you should teach NLP in your program. I'm like, ठीक है, तुम मत आना.
So you're planning, but करना है.
मैं सिखाऊंगा NLP. मैं लोगों को train करूंगा. I want people to burst in my events, connect with me, and I genuinely want to connect with them. It's because when two humans are connected, they can do miracles. For me, the information doesn't matter. For me, the context doesn't matter. मैं सब पढ़ लिया है, मैं पढ़ा भी दूंगा, वो follow भी कर देगा. For me, that feeling. I want to say peace, वो तो मिलती नहीं.
Peace मिलती है. Vocabulary, brother. Vocabulary. Peace
So,
मिलती है.
Depends. What do you define peace for people? Right? For some people, not working is a peace.
Fair.
For me, working is a peace.
Working is peace. Agreed.
Right. What I meant to say is, working and enjoying that process is more important.
More important to be.
तो उसमें वो सिखाना पड़ेगा. अगर आपको नहीं चाहिए, no issues. आपको किसी और का फ्लेवर पसंद है, जाओ. You can go there. मेरे पास कितने सारे लोग ऐसे आते हैं, like we didn't like it. I'm like, I know my competitors. ये लो, please go to their funnels.
लोगों को जीतो का फ्लेवर पसंद.
हाँ.
See, that proves he's still 20 years old. Talking about flavors. We're talking about his style. Please don't have dirty thoughts. Okay.
I am very transparent that few people are not going to like me. Few people are not going to connect with me. That's completely fine. I'm here to change few people.
Okay. Not everyone.
Not everyone. I can't do that. I don't want to do that.
Okay. Now coming to your courses that you give on Instagram, जो आप सिखाते हो 3 days 3 hours, that's how we met. वो content जो लेगा उसमें कौन-कौन लोग क्या-क्या सीख सकते हैं? Is it only for coaches? कि कोई अगर जैसे lifestyle influencer आपका कोर्स लेता है तो क्या वो कुछ सीख सकता है उसमें से?
So right now our events courses, I don't have a course. Events, workshops and everything are for coaches, consultant, freelancer, agency owner.
अच्छा, okay.
So if you're expert based business or a service based business, we can help you.
Okay. But अगर lifestyle influencer या Instagram पे grow करना है तो would that work?
Not now.
Are you planning to bring something like that?
In future.
In future you are planning.
किसी को hire कर लेंगे शायद.
Okay.
Yeah.
How much are you into the UGC content and?
Not at all.
Not at all. Do you promote that?
No. I mean, I don't do it. So the thing is, I'm so much focused and into building a personal brand with your face that I almost give like no thought to it.
No.
Right? Because for me, every time that human connection matters. तो UGC में वो होता नहीं.
UGC, हाँ, fair enough.
See, the result will always be the same. How do you want will change. The result will be followers. The result will be people, traffic. The result will be sales, and the result will be building a brand. Do you want to build a personal brand?
Of course I do.
Do you want to build a connection with the audience?
That's true.
Boom, changed. There are people who are like, no, मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए, सब मेरे को profit से मतलब है.
तो वो अलग हो जाता है. Okay.
Right?
So you need to have your thought process कि तुमको Instagram से चाहिए क्या.
Don't just think about your goals. Think about how do you want that.
How about fame? How much of a fame you are enjoying?
अरे I'm loving it.
एयरपोर्ट पे भागते फोटो निकलते कि नहीं निकलते? एयरपोर्ट पे इसलिए तुम्हारी फ्लाइट मिस हो जाती होगी नहीं?
नहीं.
ये I'm telling you, वहाँ पर जाके तुम्हारे को सारी एयर होस्टेस आके फोटो निकालती है. तुम्हारी गारंटी तुम्हारी फ्लाइट इस वजह से मिस होती है.
So I will tell you how this image came. मैं अगर let's say 100 फ्लाइट्स अगर लेता हूँ तो उसमें मुश्किल से 3 फ्लाइट छूटती है. ठीक है. बट क्योंकि मैं 3 दिखाता हूँ और 90% नहीं दिखाता हूँ कि मैंने टाइम पे आया हूँ, लोगों को लगता है कि वही 3
फ्लाइट
हमेशा मिस होती है. राइट. जैसे अभी लास्ट 3 मंथ से मेरी एक भी फ्लाइट मिस नहीं हुई. 3 महीने हो गए.
Okay.
But people still have this in their mind.
मिस हुई है.
Right. Yeah, I am enjoying my fame. It's a blessing of the God.
Okay.
Right. Because again, what I am doing is like I'm creating content. But what I'm getting is basically is from him.
Okay.
Right. Because I can control only one thing, creating content. I can't control people loving me. I can't control people wanting me. So it's a blessing for me.
Right.
I consider that as a blessing.
People are loving you is what you feel that the universe is giving to you.
Exactly. Because I'm giving them the love. I'm getting back the love. So I'm thankful.
शुक्र अल्लाह. That's great. आज की तारीख में 2024 में अगर कोई कोचिंग स्टार्ट करना चाहे, is that still scope?
बहुत ज़्यादा.
कि बहुत क्लटर हो गया मार्केट.
There are students. There are people who want to learn, and there are people who are desperate to learn.
So you can still, and as a coach starting of Instagram, how much money can one make?
It's never about the guitar. It's always about the guitarist. It's never about the niche. It's always about the person.
Always about the person. तो तुम क्या बेच सकते हो, कैसे बेच सकते हो? फिर भी एक कोई तो नंबर होगा कि क्या सीख सकते हैं, कितना करा सकते हैं.
If I go to the maximum amount of money, I would say from coaching business as a coach you can make between 1 CR to 3 CR every month.
Okay.
ठीक है. उसके ऊपर अगर आप करते हो तो it would take a lot of conscious efforts of you. According to me, the math that I did. So maybe I don't know if I want to do it. I would want to do it with that process or not.
Okay, that process. ये तुम्हारा जो free mindset है उसके हिसाब से
हाँ.
आप करें.
If लग रहा है कि उसमें भी है तो कर लेंगे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. उसके ऊपर भी ग्रो कर लेंगे.
And do you need a big team to start a coaching business?
No, I only have one person still in
One
my.
person team. That's
I
it.
outsource everything.
Okay, but how do? अच्छा, you outsource everything. Okay, so you're talking about your video shooting is done by yourself or do you get it done?
I have a agency.
Okay, तो वो आके shoot करके जाते हैं सब.
शूट हो गया, एडिट हो गया, पोस्ट हो गया, फेसबुक एड्स हो गई, एड्स पे कुछ तो करते हैं ये लोग. वो जो भी है
पिक्सल लगाने या
हाँ,
marketing.
परफॉर्मेंस मार्केटिंग पूरी वो आउटसोर्स्ड है. टॉकिंग अबाउट माय ब्रांड डील्स वी हैव आउटसोर्स्ड इट. फिर लैंडिंग पेज करेक्शंस, डेटा एनालिटिक्स,
Okay.
दैट इज आल्सो आउटसोर्स्ड. राइट. कॉलिंग्स, सेल्स इज आल्सो आउटसोर्स्ड. सब कुछ आउटसोर्स.
Okay, so you yourself is just focused on creating content and giving value and coaching. Rest सब
आउटसोर्स.
outsource.
धीरे धीरे करके हम बिल्ड कर रहे हैं. आई डोंट वांट टू रश इट वेरी फास्ट because I don't think rushing would make any sense right now.
Okay.
I've done it like multiple times. Every time I grow very fast, I fall very fast.
Okay. So you're trying to now be the turtle. Slow
Like-
and steady wins the race.
जो मेरे से होगा वो कर लेता हूँ, बाकी वो देख लेगा.
Okay. And how
नहीं
about finding these agencies? Okay, agencies भी आज की तारीख में बहुत है.
Referrals.
Go through reference. That's
I always talk to 10 people. कैसा काम है इनका, कैसा काम है, कैसा काम है, कैसा काम है. या फिर मैं सिंपली पूछ लेता हूँ any agency that you know in production. 10 लोगों से पूछो, एक एजेंसी हो जो 3 लोग बोलेंगे.
Okay, fair enough. And then you go with those particular agencies. You know, so I really appreciate all the thoughts, and I think we had a very beautiful podcast today where we have learned so much about you, the life, and you know, surprisingly, a 20-year-old talking about such a high level of experience. You know, and I'm sure that you're an old soul for sure. So, आगे मुझे दो चीज के बारे में बात करनी, which is number one that you have spoken about finance before. You say you don't invest, you don't put anything in SIP, mutual funds, or anything like that. So, have you not thought about how you're going to grow that money?
I'm thinking about it already because अभी तक मैंने क्रेडिट कार्ड भी नहीं लिए.
Okay.
मैं अभी
Simple
लूंगा.
cash.
हाँ. See, the thing is कि people think they need to have a certain rule to achieve a particular stage. Like they need to invest in something and they need to do that particular thing. But I have a very different philosophy that you can achieve same goal with different processes.
Okay.
Right? Because even 8 plus 2 is 10, 5 plus 5 is 10, 6 plus 4 is 10, 7 plus 3 is 10, 9 plus 1 is 10. Right? तो आउटकम सेम है, नंबर चेंज हो चुके हैं.
Numbers change. Right.
तो मैंने अभी तक फाइनेंस में इन्वेस्ट नहीं किया है, मैंने अभी तक एसआईपीएस में इन्वेस्ट नहीं किया, स्टॉक्स में इन्वेस्ट नहीं किया है. मैं सोच नहीं रहा हूँ या फिर सोचा नहीं है ढंग से अच्छे से. अभी नहीं है वो स्टेज. अभी मेरा स्टेज जो है, आई एम कम्प्लीटली फोकस्ड इनटू लर्निंग थिंग्स.
Okay.
एंड आई वांट टू इन्वेस्ट एज मच एज आई कैन इनटू कोचेस, मेंटोर्स, इवेंट्स. मुझे टॉनी रोबिन का इवेंट अटेंड करना है, मुझे यूएस जाना है, मुझे उससे मिलना है, मेरे को बड़े बड़े कोचेस से मिलना है, बड़े बड़े लोगों से मिलना है. एंड आई वांट दैट नॉलेज इन माय अर्ली एज.
Okay. So your investment as of right now, even including finance, it's into yourself by possibly buying the courses of this big coaches and meeting them personally and taking their vibes and doing that.
Yep.
Okay, great. What is your thought process in terms of AI now? How does that work?
I mean, yeah, AI is a good trend.
आप ChatGPT use करते हैं?
Yeah, sometimes I use.
कि पूरा जो content तुम लिखते हो, how do you do the content?
So I don't use AI and everything a lot.
Okay.
I use my gut feeling.
Is it so? But ये
Yeah.
जो script तुम लिखते हो, जो content, जो Instagram के नीचे जो caption जाता है वो
सब gut feeling.
सब करते हो. But you write it yourself. You don't do any kind of ChatGPT.
जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ती.
Nice.
When you start, maybe you could use it. जब मैं पहली बार कोर्सेज लिख रहा था, जब मैं पहली बार कोचिंग सेशंस कर रहा था, तो पॉइंटर्स नहीं बन देते. नहीं, इतना सब कुछ पॉइंटर कैसे बनाऊं? तो मैं सब कुछ लिख के ChatGPT में डालता था ना, मैं बोलता मेक इट अ चैप्टर.
Okay.
इन पॉइंटर्स.
Okay.
तो चैप्टर में पॉइंटर बना के दे देता था. बट आई डोंट यूज एनी AI टू बी ऑनेस्ट.
Okay. You're still completely manual as a
क्योंकि मैं सब कुछ आउटसोर्स कर देता हूँ. तो
अभी वो लोग यूज करते हैं कि नहीं वो पता नहीं.
हाँ, मतलब वीडियो एडिटिंग कौन सा वीडियो एडिटर कौन सा सॉफ्टवेयर यूज कर रहा है, आई डोंट नो. लैंडिंग पेज कौन सा सिस्टम यूज कर रहा है, आई डोंट नो. फेसबुक एड्स मार्केटिंग वाले कहाँ पे क्या कौन सा ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग कहाँ बना रहा है, आई डोंट नो.
तुम्हारे को एंड रिजल्ट से मतलब है.
हाँ.
Okay.
I don't want to trade my time into thinking about it is because वो zoom in हो जाएगा again.
हाँ.
And if you're a business owner, you're a content creator, even as a human, stop zooming in things. Delegate your stress to someone else.
Okay.
Right? There are people who are highly focused into graphic designing and they think about Canva use करूँ, ये use करूँ या ये use करूँ. मेरा stress नहीं है वो.
हाँ वो लोग हेडेक.
Yep. So delegate your stress to that.
Okay.
Right? You take stress off. किसको delegate करो?
हाँ, okay, fair enough.
दे दो खत्म.
खत्म करो, हाँ.
Right?
And then you focus on your content creation
Yes.
and your journey. So you're again, so you don't even take care of sales yourself. So वो भी outsource कर रखा है. सिर्फ content creation coaching के ऊपर ये focus है.
जिस चीज में मजा आ रहा है वही करो.
Fair यार, fair.
हाँ. Now see, ultimately I know ना कि मुझे इसमें मजा आ रहा है.
Hmm.
But the moment I'm like, अरे यार sales कम आ रही है. हाँ तो compromise तो करना पड़ेगा ना यार. मजा ये हो जाएगा. Desire क्या आपका?
हाँ.
Question comes down to desire क्या है? My desire is I want to learn more now.
Okay.
I want to learn more. I want to invest more in myself. I want to become aware about a lot of things. That's why विपासना जाऊंगा मैं. अगर मेरा गोल होता है मुझे पैसे और बनाने हैं अभी और फास्ट ग्रो करना है तो मैं विपासना नहीं जाता. 10 दिन काम नहीं करना है. I'm like, yeah, 10 दिन काम नहीं करना है.
Relax करना.
Yeah.
Mindset करना.
Yeah, I want to become that person who can manage anything and everything.
Okay.
Because I've seen such a upward fall in my business, content and everything, and then I have seen a crazy downfall. Not once, not twice, not thrice, multiple times.
Okay.
And I could see that there is some problem in me. Not problem, there is something that I don't know right now.
Is it that because you keep wavering? Is that could be one of the reasons?
I think I go very fast into something.
Okay.
And when you go very fast, you go very.
Okay.
Whenever you grow very fast, you will fall also very
Fall
fast,
also,
right?
okay.
So
The
now
foundation strong बनाना बहुत ज़्यादा जरूरी है.
if your foundation is strong, then it's fine. Mine is not, I think.
I think that's what you're working on. I think that's why you're coming back on ground zero, building the foundation, और फिर आप वापस से tower खड़ा करोगे.
It will take time. That's completely fine. Numbers would be compromised, but again, perfect life किसकी?
हाँ वो भी है. और भाई आप 20 साल के हो. क्योंकि don't forget.
क्या tension?
इतना क्या tension ना?
Even at the age of 30, 40 also, you can notice you still have things where you can be happy, but people choose a reason to not be happy.
Not that.
I can simply choose right now कि यार content में मेरे followers 7,000 गिर चुके हैं, मेरे followers गिर चुके हैं. My business revenue has went down. Last 2 महीने में काफी सारे झगड़े हो गए with my family, and I could simply give this reason कि यार I'm not a good person. But I know this thing that it's a phase of my life.
And you're just going through, learning through.
होने दो भाई, लोग छूटने दो, अच्छी बात है, कुछ तो अच्छा होगा आगे. I trust him more than myself.
Where do you see, or how do you do the 10 years goal? Do you focus on that as of right now? You see yourself somewhere in 30? Okay, right now you're like, no, I just want to follow the 200-meter deal.
Yeah. I generally right now I have no idea what I will be doing after 5 years.
Okay, no, you're
have
not
no
following that as well.
I don't have a lot of clarity also in what I'm going to do after 5 years.
Okay.
I'm confused.
Okay.
I want to be in that situation where I'm confused, figuring out and doing hundreds of things. Because if I say that I'm clear that I want to do Instagram, maybe there is something else that I was lacking.
Do you think there is going to be any other app apart from Instagram, maybe YouTube?
हाँ, मैं आऊँगा उस पे. So basically what I'm saying right now is that when you are confused and you go through that confusion phase, then only you will get clarity. Right? The only way to become happy is the only way to appreciate happiness. Sorry.
Yeah. Good.
Because it's always there.
It's always there. Yeah.
The only way to appreciate happiness is to going through that unhappiness zone. Right? So मैं बोल रहा हूँ जाने देते, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, जाऊँगा. I need to go through it.
Enjoying the process.
Yeah, I can't escape it.
Okay, fair enough.
Even if I'm feeling low, मैं रोऊंगा चलेगा. मुझे इतना पता है मेरे अंदर एक छोटा सा हार्ट में कहीं तो है, कुछ तो अच्छा होगा. ये कहीं तो कनेक्ट हो रहा है. I don't know where it is, but ये कहीं तो कनेक्ट हो रहा है जीतू. मतलब मैंने एक सिंपल डेटा निकाल के देखा कि where does people lack in their 20s? I got 2 things. Money and relationship. कि पैसे नहीं बना पा रहे तो जॉब कर रहे, ये कर रहे, वो कर रहे, यहाँ वहाँ जा रहे, रिलेशनशिप में ब्रेकअप हो गया, ये हो गया, वो हो गया, तो रुके हुए. There are 2 things. And अगर मैं properly specify करूँ तो breakup is the only thing that this 20 years kid are worrying about right now. ये मैं तब की बात कर रहा हूँ जब मैं उस सही से जा रहा था. And I thought, oh, these are the things that are stopping me. So I don't have to be in relationships to grow. ये मेरा thought process था 18 साल की उम्र में. ठीक है, क्योंकि तब तक काफी हो चुकी थी.
हाँ, I think 1 in 10 maybe सोचता होगा शायद ऐसा.
Yeah, I don't know, but yeah, for me it's like कि if you are having a relationship right now, you can't grow. And I thought कि अगर breakup हो रहा है तो ये मेरे hamper करेगा. But later on I realized the people who are successful most or who have the most capability of handling things are the ones who had the most erroneous breakups. So it's a good thing.
ब्रेकअप से सीखने की बात कर रहे हैं ऐसे.
हाँ, मतलब कुछ तो अच्छा था क्योंकि you went through that process and now you are enjoying. You are becoming a better person right now. So maybe जो भी हो रहा है मेरे साथ पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है. Emotions volatile हो रहे हैं. Let's say मेरा anger या फिर frustration level बढ़ रहा है या let's say या कुछ चीजें जो हो रही है वो neglect हो रही है. कुछ चीजें जो हो रही है वो सही नहीं चल रही है. मेरे efforts जितना डाल रहा हूँ उतने मेरे results नहीं आ रहे. मतलब
Something is changing.
Something is changing and something is going to change, and I need to feel this thing. I have to go through this process. I don't want to run, because for 18 years of my life, I think I have run from my emotions.
So,
Now it's the time to face it.
okay, great. Yeah, I think ये कोई 40 साल वाला बंदा यूजुअली बोलता है. इसलिए तो अभी बोल रहा है. But I love that.
Touch wood, I have good people around me who guides me at good things, and touch wood, I have good consciousness to adapt those things.
You do,
and have a good blessing also.
And I agree to that as well. That's great. Yeah, I really appreciate that. So, you did your last workshop, right? Last workshop, you did the meditation techniques. Okay, and this was something new that you have invented or into your thing, not invented but added into your workshops. Why was the reason that कि आपने एक हम जो thought process से आए थे, we were like, oh, we'll learn Instagram, and then उसके अंदर आपने मस्त एक twist डाल के meditation सिखा दिया. You had a lot of people, I think we had about 50-60 people over there almost that event, और सब लोग अपनी energies डाल रहे थे, so there were two there. Share details about that. Okay, what was that and why was that?
See, ultimately what happens is, कभी ऐसा हुआ आपको सब कुछ पता है, you know what to do right now, but you are not able to do it.
रास्ता पता है पर चल नहीं पा रहे इस पे. Is that what you're saying? Okay.
Right? मेरे लाइफ कोच कहते हैं कि a human gut knows everything, what to do and what not to do. It's not the right time maybe.
Okay.
Or maybe they are not in the right state. So I can't control the right time, but I can control the right state. I want people to be in the right state.
Okay.
And if I can do that for people, they will figure out themselves. I don't even need to teach them.
Okay.
And that's why I always say it's not the information, it's the connection.
It's a connection, and that is the reason you added that meditation technique. But वो बोलते ना कि इतने लोग वो वहाँ पर, I remember that people were crying and people were yelling and all. And you were on the stage, like, so people from here throwing all those energies, and then from here you're taking it away, because someone has to be in front to observe those, because it's going to bounce right back. So how वो आपको affect नहीं किया?
काफी किया.
How was that process?
After my event, I was heavily sick for 12 days.
Really?
Yeah. And for first 3-4 days, my body temperature was like crazy.
Okay.
Crazy. When I say crazy, it was crazy. मैं उठ नहीं पा रहा था. I had a खतरनाक pain on my lower back. Right hand side, I could sense it. Right hand side में lower back काफी deep pain था. ठीक है. Workout भी नहीं हो रहा था. कुछ नहीं हो रहा था. So maybe I don't know if it's that negative energy, but after the event I felt sick. I don't know what to do about it, because there are people who does the events like this and they don't feel sick. So either I don't know, there is something missing. I would learn it.
Of course, naturally.
कर लेंगे. Simply जाके पूछो उन लोगों से जिन्होंने किया ये.
Yeah, of course.
Right. The second thing, maybe I am also vulnerable.
Possibly. So I think you're following the right footsteps then.
You always follow the right footstep. You're always on the right path only.
Then how do you know that you are?
That's the thing that people think about it. मैं तो सोचते नहीं.
जा रहे करना है करने दो.
When you think about it, you maybe going on the right path, wrong path.
Okay, so you just follow your heart. Okay, and how about in future your workshop will always have that? आप सारे workshop में कराओगे?
That human connection will always be there.
Okay, so meditation techniques and what you did in this particular workshop.
Always, I want to connect with my people. Information को खुद ही निकाल लेंगे.
Inshallah. So you keep talking about fitness. So guys, इसके sweatshirts पे नहीं जाना. एक बंदा खाली sweatshirts पहनता है, बंदा abs वाला है. So do you care for your diet or एकदम not mind free?
Right now, I had a nutritionist. Yes.
Okay.
And I hired a naturopathy nutritionist.
Okay.
Because earlier fitness for me was muscle mass, gaining muscle and building strength. I have done deadlifts at the body weight of 55 kg. I have lifted 165 kg, 160 kg.
Okay.
ठीक है. But the thing is कि उस time पे I didn't have that much of awareness, you know, कि just muscle mass build करना है, ये करना fitness नहीं है. So right now for me, fitness is basically having that state of mind, emotionally, mentally, and physically, where you can do anything.
Okay.
If I'm on the stage, negative energy is coming to me. It's not affecting me.
Okay.
That's my mental state.
That's your mental state.
Right. So what food you eat in defines your mental state again.
Okay.
Right. So इसलिए I have a naturopathy nutritionist. They cure cancers, they cure diseases, they cure diabetes.
Okay.
तो मैं उनके सेशन में गया, अंदर क्या डिजीज आपको? हमने कुछ डिजीज नहीं है, मेरे को वेट गेन करना है.
हाँ.
सर वेट गेन तो ऐसे ही हो जाएगा, तो करवा दो. Right. And I simply told them condition ये होगा कि I want to have better sleep. कम sleep होगी तो और अच्छी बात है. I want to have better sleep. I want to have a good state of mind, which is similar energy for the entire day, if possible. Right? I said, yeah, हो जाएगा. So I hired a nutritionist.
Okay.
I'm working on that. Physical की बात करूँ तो yeah, I do work out a lot.
क्योंकि दिन में like तुमने एक certain time रखा है कि ये workout का है, no matter
दोपहर।
what, doesn't matter जो भी तुम कर रहे हो तुम workout कर ही रहे हो.
I go very hard on my workout sometimes.
Okay.
Sometimes I feel like नहीं कर रहा तो नहीं कर
कभी भी ऐसा हुआ है मिस किया है कभी भी कि consistently every day है ही.
किया है, मिस किया, बहुत किया.
But no matter what, तुम travel कर रहे हो, चेन्नई जा रहे हो, जैसे events करते हो, तो how do you?
अभी ये नहीं है, but yeah, I'm building that habit of doing workout consistently no matter what.
Okay.
Because again, I was escaping workout for something else. I later got to know.
Mindset.
So basically, I was escaping workout because I had this thought in my mind कि workout करूँगा तो धंधे में time नहीं दे पाऊंगा.
अच्छा.
And because my body didn't want to go to that pain and soreness, it was creating this thought.
Creating the thought process.
But now I got to know नहीं है workout तो करना है.
Workout तो करना है. हाँ.
Thought छोड़ दो.
Exactly.
So I'm working on that mindset. I would be doing workouts. You need to be mentally and physically fit to be on stage for 12 hours, right? So I'm building that up.
You're building.
मैं होता हूँ एक दिन, 2 दिन, मैं 2 दिन stage पे होता हूँ, फिर 12 दिन बीमार.
But then I don't think that is because you're there for 12 hours. I think it's because you're observing so much of the energies. And beautiful of it, right? But that dude was standing, jumping, dancing.
Exactly.
Like सब कर रहा था वो बंदा ओपन वो उसके मुंह पे एक शिकंज नहीं थी वो 3 दिन का इवेंट था फ्राइडे सैटरडे संडे का इवेंट था संडे भी जब आई थिंक हम थे ना तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि खाए बस कर हमको जाने थे बस कर सुबह वो 9 बजे चालू कर रहा था रात को 6 बजे 7 बजे चालू टाइम पे होगा पर खत्म टाइम पे
नहीं होगा.
So that's what he follows and God
And
knows.
that's what I want to build for myself.
That's what you want to do.
Right, so I am on that path right now, building
Good.
it for me.
Good, and I wish you best of luck for that. And I'm pretty sure you'll make it happen. So let's go.
You can do anything and everything you want.
As whatever you set your mind on.
Yeah, you can do anything and everything you want.
Great. Yeah.
And sometimes there are few things that you don't want to do, and there's something that you don't need to do.
But then sometimes you have to do to get what you need.
That's what I call the एक ही चीज को देखने के 5 नजरिए.
5 अलग तरीके.
नजरिए.
Cool.
Everything is right.
मेरे पास है ना ये 2 बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस है. एक तो सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन ये आ जाता है कि हम जो इंस्टाग्राम की बातें करते हैं. So when we are running ads या boost करते हैं post, so does that fuck up your account completely?
Yeah.
It does. So आप फिर उसको grow नहीं कर पाते हो.
कर सकते हो, but then you will need to put more efforts.
Okay, you'll have to put more.
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं है कि उसको अपन ग्रो नहीं करा पाएंगे पर एफर्ट्स ज्यादा.
Yeah, the simple reason for that is you don't have organic data.
हाँ.
Like आपके ऑडियंस को सच में क्या चाहिए आपके पास नहीं है.
हाँ.
और जब तक आप ये क्रिएट नहीं करोगे कि आपके ऑडियंस को सच में क्या चाहिए, you can never grow that exponentially.
But then कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है कि हम अकाउंट बना लेते हैं नया, हम सब कर रहे हैं, फॉर्मेट फॉलो कर रहे हैं, क्रिएटिविटी फॉलो कर रहे हैं, पर फिर भी लाइक और व्यूज आते ही.
Give it time.
उसका क्या करना? Give it, but even if you have done like 100+ posts,
Time.
you still have to give time. Keep posting. Don't give up.
Just wait for your time. It's not the right time.
Okay, and it will come. So that doesn't mean that account
Even
is dead.
if you don't do a lot of stuff,
हाँ.
and it's your time, it will come to you.
Okay. How about shadow ban? Is there such thing?
No, there is no such thing. Shadow ban. Technical term नहीं है, but there is a thing where your reach get restricted.
Okay.
If you let's say you are using watermark, तो फिर आपका reach restrict हो सकता है.
Okay.
Don't use any watermarks in your video. Don't.
So your watermark doesn't mean that logo, right? You're talking about like a proper logo watermark.
Yeah, proper watermark. You don't use any like अगर आपने Snapchat को logo लगा दिया अपने videos के अंदर.
हाँ, right.
या फिर किसी और का watermark.
नहीं अपना खुद का ही लोगो डालो तो.
Don't use it anywhere.
Don't use it. Don't put logo.
Don't put any logo. Don't put any watermark in your videos. It may affect your reach.
अच्छा.
And Instagram खुद बोलता भी है.
हाँ ये तो I think Alex तुमको
yeah,
last उसका
मौजरी बोलता है हमेशा.
हाँ.
So don't do that. Don't bully or abuse anyone.
Right.
Suicidal content हो गया, sexual abuse हो गया, ये सारे content जो होते हैं इसमें आपकी reach जो भी restrict हो जाएगी. Don't do anything जहाँ पे कुछ unethical हो.
Okay.
ठीक है.
Yeah,
So,
I think I know what you're talking about. Okay. I won't want to talk about that, but that's fine.
unethical हो, immoral हो, so it would affect your reach.
Okay.
Instagram is smart enough to know that.
Okay.
Right? Don't buy or get paid followers, paid views, anything like that. It will affect your reach. Don't do all of these things. Simply focus on building good content and you will grow.
अगर आपने paid followers buy कर लिया, paid views buy कर लिया, तो should you just close that account, go for another one?
Always.
Does that ruins it for you?
There is a reason it's not growing.
Okay. What is your thought process in? I don't want to call it chapri reels, but recently a lot of people have got fame on Instagram. We'll talk about Dolly Chaiwala. Or we'll talk about the Vada Pav girl. There's the new girl now from Punjab, model Chaiwali.
Even if you see all this people are going viral because of one thing, how they are presenting the information. Like if I say chai wala, so chai wale mein, I won't say information, but what's the content? Chai. But how he is giving his chai, wo doodh correctly. Right? That's working for him. Vada pav wale. Controversies करके
वो तो भाई खतरनाक है छोकरी.
Right? So
like Big Boss में आ गई, like from her being into a girl who is, I don't know, मेरे को लगा शायद उसने चालू ही उससे हिसाब से किया था कि मैं ना झगड़े करके ना बिग बॉस पहुंचा.
I don't know, but again, if you just look at it from the perspective of learning, what matters to me is कि she is not. It's not the vada pav that she is selling.
Right.
It's the way she is.
It's
selling.
the way she's selling.
Right. Yeah. It's not the Dolly Chai wala. Again, it's the way he's selling. वो पहन के ऐसा
चश्मा लगा के कलर वाले
करके. Right.
Yeah. जबान बाहर निकाल के लोग पी भी रहे वो चाय. That's surprising, but okay.
Exactly. So it's the way they are selling. That's number one. Number two, there is no calorie burn effect.
Okay.
Like लोगों को सोचना ही नहीं पड़ रहा कुछ भी. Instagram is a platform where you don't need to put a lot of efforts into your brain to consume the content.
Okay.
It's go very smooth. Right. A lot of people does like वो बहुत ज़्यादा complex information देते हैं, then they don't grow.
Okay.
But people like this grow is because people don't need to use their brain.
लड़ाना पड़ेगा इसके लिए. खाली देखना है बस उसे. Real वो scrolling effect जो हम बोलते हैं.
Exactly. Okay. It lets people scroll. So that's why they're growing.
Okay, that's the reason they're growing as well. Okay.
I can talk more good. I can go technical and fundamentally very deep into it. But again, करना ही नहीं तो क्यों करना है? मतलब जब if you want to create a good brand image,
you cannot do that.
Yeah,
that's not a way of creating a good brand image, right? Or can it? I mean, but then on the contrary, like I mean, look at Chaiwala's life, right? Dolly Chaiwala is like charging 5 lakhs now for coming to your.
Again, it's a way of life. It's a way you see it. I don't want to put my image as Dolly Chaiwala.
Okay.
I don't want that.
Okay.
There are few people. I don't want to be. मुझे नहीं करना है. It's my choice.
It's your way of doing it. But there's nothing wrong with it. No. And the reason they're going viral is because of the factor is the way they're presenting their stuff.
They are being themselves.
Because I think again वही हो जाता है कि कभी-कभी हम सोचते हैं कि हम अच्छा कंटेंट दो, but then अच्छे कंटेंट में तो वो भी
आपके अकॉर्डिंग अच्छा कंटेंट क्या है वो भी डिफर करता है ना. अभी डॉली के लिए अकॉर्डिंग टू हिम ही इज द बेस्ट.
He is indeed, yeah.
And he's being himself. He's being himself. It's not right or wrong. It's not right for me. मुझे नहीं करना है.
हाँ.
For him it's right. तो करो.
हाँ. So again ये इसमें वो आ जाता है ना DML and SSG. I think that's what he's following also ना at this point of time.
Yeah. He is also focusing on himself. If you see. Doesn't care about what people thinking about him. उसको पता है मैं पतला हूँ चपरी हूँ doesn't matter. वो कुछ सोचता है ना इन सब के बारे में.
वो यही सोचता है ना at the end of the day मैं बेंटली में घूम रहा हूँ.
हाँ.
प्राइवेट जेट्स में घूम रहा हूँ. जहाँ जा रहा हूँ लोग फोटोज निकाल रहे हैं.
तुम्हारी लाइफ में तुम्हें जो करना है करो. लोग तुम्हें कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं. Until and unless it affects you, you are done. You're sorted.
Don't let it get to your head.
Yeah.
Fair enough.
I always show things on my social media that people can talk about, and I don't have any problem to let people talk about it. I don't want to talk about my relationships anymore. So मैं बात नहीं करता. I don't want people to make interpretations on my relationship.
Well, since you have bought relationship out, how many relationships have you had?
वही तो बोल रहा. I don't want to talk about it. Right? I'm not okay. I would say I'm not okay, but it just I'm not at the stage where I want people to talk about it. Right? मैं अभी बोल रहा हूँ कि अभी तुम बात करो Instagram के बारे में.
बहुत सीखना बाकी है.
बहुत बाकी ये करो. 26 साल का जब हो जाऊंगा जब मैंने भी काफी कुछ किया बस at the age of 20 what is leading I'm figuring out यार. I'm pretty sure what I'm thinking right now is nothing. It's just the phase. I need to go through that phase.
I hope that you're dating the girls who are 20, right? I mean, because you said you hang out with people who are older than you. So like,
yeah, I'm not dating 20s.
I don't know. I'm able to pull out a little bit.
I would. The thing is, people at my age, the problem with dating right now is people when I go to my age, I don't connect very fast.
Very quick, yeah.
And the speed of their growth is very slow. But people who are older than me, girls who are older than me,
you don't forget. They mature much faster than guys as well. So be careful.
Girls do mature faster than boys. And imagine a girl maturing faster and older than me now.
अभी तुम वेट करी जाओ 28 तक सोचना नहीं.
वही तो बोल रहा हूँ नहीं करना.
बस सही है.
So I'm just going with the flow. I don't need to worry about it right now because ultimately I thought about it कि when I think too much about marriage, relationships or let's say love and everything, I get too engrossed into it. Right? It's not the right time to do it.
Indeed.
Do that.
Indeed.
I'm meant to work right now.
Absolutely.
I have a lot of energy.
Perfect.
And even if I'm putting my energy that and I'm facing that phase, I don't have a problem with that. I'm conscious right now कि
ये मेरे
ये
को
करना ही पड़ेगा.
Fair enough.
तो जो है सही है. मेरी लाइफ जो होता है अच्छा ही होता है.
And I wish you a lot of power.
Thank you.
And I wish that we grow as well together. I see myself working with you.
When you say, so I always say this thing, होगा वही जो होगा सही. So don't worry, grow. अरे बिंदास, yes, बिल्कुल.
Cool, yeah. More power to you.
Same,
I see you in a very bright future. I feel as a person and as a coach and as a man in your life.
Yeah.
You stay this way, though. Like always stay jolly.
Yeah.
But don't lose your jolliness. That's the only thing I would tell you.
It will be so basically.
It will be matured. Yeah, it's different. It will be different, but don't lose it.
एक point पे ऐसा आएगा कि maximum time will be like this.
Bus. I see
I'm
that.
working for that.
That's it. I see that. I think that is what it's a main part. The jolliness, your vibes are khatarnak. So we'll go to this quick fire round. Let's see how that works out with us. Basically, there are 10 questions. बहुत ज़्यादा बात नहीं करना है. खाली just quickly. Instagram or YouTube?
Instagram.
All right. One app you cannot live without. Don't say Instagram. Everybody knows Instagram. Notes. Okay. Name one book that significantly influenced you on approaching your business or lifestyle.
3 books are there. The
Okay.
Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck, number 1. Number 2, The Alchemist. And number 3, Think and Grow Rich.
Think and Grow Rich. I love that book. What's your go-to method for overcoming a creative block?
Don't do anything.
Don't know. Chill. बाहर बालकनी में देखो ऐसा. If you had to pick one, would you prioritize reach, engagement on social media? Reach or engagement? ऐसा.
Engagement.
Engagement is something you follow. Okay. What's the first thing you do in the morning related to your social media routine?
Nothing.
Nothing. So nothing. No liking, following. कितने followers आए, कितने views आए. Nothing at all.
नहाता हूँ मैं अभी.
हाँ? नहाता हूँ पहले.
अभी शुरू किया.
अब तक नहीं नहाते थे.
रोज सुबह नहीं करता था.
Okay. Can you name one recent campaign or project that you're particularly proud of?
Building my own self.
Building it. Great. What's your one myth about social media success that you would like to debunk right now?
You don't need to post every day. You don't need to post. You don't need to follow trends, or you don't need to do specific things to grow on social media.
Okay. And who is your biggest inspiration in the digital market world?
Alex Hormozzi, Gary Vee, Himanshu Agarwal.
Of course.
3.
3, okay. If you had to switch careers tomorrow, what would you choose to do?
Maybe a life coach.
Maybe a life coach. I know you're gonna convert into that very soon.
Let's see.
Jeetu IG coach नहीं है, Jeetu life coach होगा.
हो सकता है.
Yeah, no, I think you have that. This is very much proud of because you have it. I've seen it personally, how you handled it, how you took it further. I know you'll make it happen. Today's episode had turned out to be completely different than what I had actually imagined. मेरे को ऐसा लगा था हम खाली Instagram की बातें करेंगे, AI की बातें करेंगे. यहाँ पर तो हमने जीतू को ऊपर से नीचे पूरा ब्रेक डाउन कर दिया है कि क्या है जीतू, कौन है जीतू. एंड आई एम श्योर दैट जिसने भी ये पॉडकास्ट अब तक देखा है must have known that what kind of person Jeetu himself is. And a lot of things in his life right now is going to change as well, because a lot of things वो ऐसे steps कर रहे हैं which is going to make him a better person, a better coach. And I hope that ये content आज का आपको बहुत अच्छा लगा होगा, and you're going to share it with people who you think will be able to use this particular information for their own life, especially the unwavered or wavered Gen Zs जिसको ये content सुनना है और समझना है. क्योंकि the only thing, like Jeetu said in this whole podcast, is that it's not about a person changing you, it's about you changing yourself. It's you against you and nobody else. Well, again, thank you guys for staying with us all the way till the end. ये content सबके साथ share करना. मेरा YouTube channel है @KabirWani. Subscribe me on that. Follow me on Instagram @KabirWani. जिन लोगों को सुनना पसंद है, I'm on JioSaavn, Spotify, Gaana, and many other platforms which allows you to listen to podcasts. And to all the people who have subscribed to me,